Mommy.
Yes, baby.
You know, I reach after age, right?
Mm-hmm.
I'm not gonna hide nothing from you.
Mm-hmm. Which is right.
So, I feel like that time for me to go find one man to take care of my family.
Which man? I do a good enough job taking care of the family. You don't need to think about man right now.
No, Mom, I'm rich at age now. I need a man so I go find one who can take care of the family.
No, baby girl. You see, man, you have to get your independence first. Right now, I want you to look a job. I'm not saying nothing wrong with your feelings, you know. But right now, I want you to look at work, get your independence, have money in your own pockets.
Well, Mommy, I don't think I'm going to look. I want to look job up now right now. I need a strong man in my life. And a man can't take me to eat that, Mama, because me have what they want. So they go and bow down. They go and bow down and go find them me. Because I have what they want. And them are the girl call. Yeah.
I'm not wrong with girl, but take it from me. Is one thing to learn from your mistake, is another thing to learn from somebody else's. Take it from me. You see, when you're an independent woman and you take up a little man, then if things go good, rock on. But you see, if things go so in caring for you, because you have your own money, you not depend on him. If you want sweetie enough, go and say, can I get, you just go shop and get your own things.
Mommy, anytime the one they mash up and go like, you know, give me up, my friend another one. So look for me. You see me now? Look for me. Look for me what, Mommy. Me can't get any man I want. Don't do all the prime minister. Prime minister, me can't get. You see me? Look for my body, Mommy. Any man I want, me can't get.
Where you come from, me, you must look good.
Yeah.
Of course you can get any man.
Any man I want, me can't get.
Me not say you can't. Of course you can. Look on that body you come by.
Yes.
Look on you. You look good. Your heart good.
Yeah.
Everything. You have brain and everything.
Yes.
Me just tell you to get your independence first before you look man. Do everything
Mommy.
in its time.
Mommy, me love you, no, Mommy.
I love you too.
But sometimes you not talk what me want to hear. So it best me go about my business. Me say me go find a man to take care of the family. You can't take care of the family.
Nobody get your man
Me
take
need,
care of me. Me not need.
look for the
Me not
house.
need.
Them are something I want to change down, Mommy. We need a man to do this. Man.
When time come, you
Man
pick up
must
the
spend money.
Hire a man and hire a man to do the work.
Man must spend money, Mommy. Money. And that thing there for. To work and bring money can't give we. So
You
me go
forget
look
your
one.
own independence. So that me I tell you.
At that generation now, you know, because you have your own independence.
Yeah. Look a flat batty girl. Huh.
So what?
You want to send me there or do I use your back door?
Oh yeah, alright.
Yeah man, you?
Yeah, alright. Me I think about something from other day. Me I think say, I go look on work.
Where I look work for? You don't need to look no work.
Me feel like me look on work.
Give me one good reason why you would want work.
Because, remember say you do your thing, you know, but what if one day police run in palm way?
No, man,
What we go tell the police them say the money I come from?
No, man, pretty that man, we can pay them off money. But, I like how you talk still.
Not every police stand so.
I like how you talk still, man. So you,
I think about it.
when you go look about to work?
I don't know. This time I go look out in the week, yeah. Because we can't make it thing so the police then go there wonder where we are get so much money from. I have no good explanation.
It depends on the type of work where you're going to look still.
That's true. I'm not even sure what kind of work I'm going to look. And the type of money that we are make. What you make.
Well, I feel where I feel there, man. Because I heard where I pray.
Yeah. Well, that's all. Oh God.
Riri girl,
What?
me there here.
Rina?
Call her me come up the hill and shout Riri.
Never hear
Morning.
Me and my babes is there and I talk.
Oh, so what?
I don't know, send me there.
Oh, you know, say my sister me come go look for me say, might as well me tap and check you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Anyways, I didn't road, me say me did I go walk up and say, me I walk up and road I walk.
No man, you can go on and come. You catch me here. If you not catch me here, you say me gone look for my sister.
Alright then. Then
Yeah.
I go up on the road and come back.
Alright. Hurry up, you know.
Yeah.
So what?
No, see me there, do I go on easy back.
Oh, so no could do.
Yeah, man.
Well, me I come go look for my sister, but me did want to tell her say, you have a secret admirer, but me not gonna tell you who. So just go and think about it. One nice little secret admirer later.
Alright. I wonder who that know.
Why? No fun, can't find it.
Oh boy. Yeah. Yes, Lord. Tomorrow morning is another morning again.
Hello?
Hello?
No, but I won't want to work. I don't want to work.
I'm here run off the place, man. Yeah, man. I'm here run off the place.
You don't want nobody if you
You
come.
know, say, to tell you the truth, me already put my daughter them funny to come in tomorrow morning, you know.
God.
Yeah, man.
Mother love if you could have helped me, oh man, because...
You don't want no work neither. You don't see where you man. Long hairstyle, you hot girl, you don't need no work.
No, my boyfriend do me hairstyle, and true, me want look at work on the side, because me want can bring you things on the table as well.
I would have wished some young girl could have think like you. God know. The rest them all them think about is man.
Yeah,
And depend on man money. For no reason. As a young girl, I respect you. Me just a come from Kayla mama yard, you know.
Who?
And me walk up in one Shanice and the two of them style me, you know.
Who? They do a Kayla and Shanice?
And me daughter them, but them a separate
I'm
mama.
a friend them. From we used to go to school together.
I have friend them?
Yeah. You can't squeeze me in for the work, man.
I just say no, yes, then, man. Alright, you check me 9 o'clock. If none of them don't come tomorrow, make sure you get the work. But then kill it and then walk list. All the other one talk about is people, man.
Yeah.
Yes, boy, you want people, man, and this and that.
Well,
Me don't want people like a them there. If you can't go run. And you know, the worst part, it was hot, ne? When they tell me work list, I mean, I nothing. Half of me hard working money go invest in them.
anyways.
Pay for them college. Check me back 9 o'clock if you really want to work.
I want more to work, man, cause I know my partner wants to carrying things on the table. If I can do something for myself too.
Yeah, you see.
Independent is
I mean,
the key.
always a customer say the young girl don't want nothing in her life. No, me, I go take back my word.
And every young girl don't want nothing out of life.
Right, me take back my word.
Alright.
You prove me wrong.
Yes.
I'm like that.
Right.
So keep it up. Now follow them. So remember, 9 o'clock.
tomorrow.
If you don't know what about, we will give you what. They just carry the bucket them. That's all they are doing. You know. They just carry the empty bucket them and put them down and then take up the full one. So I will see you later.
Alright then.
Yeah, man.
Big up
Bye-bye.
yourself. Well, you may look fine. Girl, look how long me a wait for it take so long.
Girl, me did stop somewhere. What?
Not at all.
So you come from now?
To the yard. You know what mommy she tell me, say, no.
What should I tell you, say?
But me if I go look for work. I don't work me one.
How you want?
I just want a man who put food on the table. That's all and they provide for me.
Mama, that not gonna come
don't
so
want a
easy.
man.
Well, you must know you want stills and stills. Me have one crush for one man, but him taken. You know, like me, I go get him anytime soon. Cause I don't like him and that's again, then I like, but he have money.
So me girl, you're young and you're fresh. You say young and fresh?
And what happened?
Go get a man for yourself.
Sharing is caring.
No,
You never hear the blind man sing it. It's like, you never
You see, I know.
understand.
See to me. You see, I know. You go pick up a man. You have a woman. The woman will go kill you and beat you. I want to about something can't you know, man kill you and one bag of something, you know.
You mean the woman analyze me?
Yeah.
So what you there have to do?
Well, I never seen you go take no man, you know.
So wait, when the woman analyze me, what you are gonna do?
Me not do nothing. Come here and me get the man so if he have money.
No, you're gone to the soul. You're very and truly wicked.
No.
But girl, still, you might have enough money. There's a girl that can't do nothing. The girl little bit, girl in the class will beat me.
See to me. What you have to do? Get a man for yourself. Get a
Mama,
man
no
for
man,
yourself.
no day I suffer myself. And see every man have a woman. You blind?
Well, anyways, the only way me date one man We have a woman is if you have money.
And that's the thing, the man
What
have
about
money.
money? You know why? Because if me dey have my man for myself, the other again would have take him. So me they go take people man too.
Girl, he have money. I'm say money, me mean money. Me not talk no jump change, no 100,000, no
But that's not for you.
money.
But that's not for
who?
you.
For
You're
who?
young and you're fresh, and if you go find a man for yourself,
You're young and
Like
you're fresh
that.
if you go find a work.
me don't need no work.
Me not need no man for
Me
myself.
just need a man for myself.
Well, you want one for yourself, me want people, man.
What go on, sir? Why good to see me two daughters them stand up here, so to make me proud as a father. Salute to myself. Never feel.
If you did that man with then you could have said salute to yourself.
So when me ask you a question, the amount of money when me give your mother if you go to school, you pay for your subject, no matter how you think you have subject.
This be,
How you think you have subject?
You never pay for maths, English, nor social. No good on a part program. Please go beg them to put up on part. Even when you never need to go on part, for part, pay for 3 subjects.
You know so much I don't know how to eat enough.
2 are we?
Yeah.
2 are we? And you did have to
And
run
I
go
wanna
beg the
me.
people them.
2 of uno, and I want of me, and I want how no mother eat.
And every day you work.
Anyway, I know that me come to tell you, I up a few mother yard, me don't come first, then we don't have fear yard. We get some work for you.
For who?
Yeah, man. One house I build up the road. And we can,
Construction work.
I
Yeah.
must do it, daddy.
we can,
Look on you and look on me. You work all the day in your life and you don't have nothing. Me never work yet and me have more than we have. The only thing I have is an iPhone. Me not think you look the work there for we. Go take care of yourself.
Me don't want to work, daddy. Me not coming like you. You see, you know, you work, you don't have nothing. You don't have a car. You don't got nothing for yourself.
Not even a bike.
No, look where you come out here, ha?
Not even a bike can I have. Look how bike cheap.
so that's what I watch.
You have phone.
Uno make me not have nothing, you know.
So you have iPhone.
Uno, me work for. Me never did work for myself. Uno,
Never ask if it work for me.
me fool to get 2 of uno.
Therefore, me never tell you push me out of your back. You should have let me see.
Out of her back.
Up in your back.
Me never push you out of my back.
Where
Your
friends
mother
come from?
take it from out of me in a she. This is what me I tell you
That's
now.
my problem.
Uno make me not have nothing, you know. Uno pick me ungrateful. And then that's why me I go for fear mama, you know.
Daddy, me tell you
Ungrateful
this.
dog, you am dirty podo.
Me not talking to argue with you, you know, cause me not time to you right now. Me big, you know, rich of age. Me don't want to work. Me just need a man who they provide and the argument done.
And that's how life go.
How we got in?
You can't want easy done.
Oh.
When you get easy done, you know, properly done.
Oh.
You listen to go to school, and here when you come tell your daddy, say, you want a man.
Yes.
That is disgrace.
Me no business. And that God put them on earth for work and bring the money come give we.
Therefore, we never did a figure school, cause they no sell man subject.
And that we did want.
You want that they will be out.
No, daddy.
Check yourself.
God
first.
no. Because me don't know. You no want nothing in life. What you want?
People man have money.
Yeah. It seems like me go work hard and if it buy 2 plastic put on. Because you won't have
You must
plan
have buy
for
one
people,
for
man.
you and one for Kayla mama, cause I can't for me.
Listen me. Take up something to do. Nobody talk about no man right now. You're not ready for that yet.
Daddy, yes, it's something I take off to do. Yes, if you have a man, I have to keep a man.
It come with
I
responsibilities.
whole heap of work that. I whole heap of work that. And that's something I take up, man.
Look for mystical. There's so much work, she have to work and twerk. I work, that's you know, so when she done sweat a drip off of she body.
What a mystical.
Lord, get it too old.
You
and
have
know
phone
nothing.
and you know what to do with it.
Wait till me need my phone. Make money. Call.
and beg.
Work. Yeah, you have to call and ask to work and beg.
Alright, I see this now when I have people man, me just put on little tights and look sexy and just stretch out my hand. I don't need for beg now, look how we're.
And that your mother used to do me, you know.
That's why you breathe out though.
I hate when she reach.
What she reach?
Later, daddy, later.
Don't move it. Let her talk to you.
What you answer, daddy?
I open your mother, me they go a matter of fact. This is the final one in me, I go, it one. You see, if you don't,
Listen to me, up a fear, man, you go on. You don't need me then, me gone.
Big problem.
don't follow that. You get me? Say? That's why I don't want this stay with your mother too long. Because one I move,
Listen to me.
I'm still minor, right?
Listen to me, daddy. I don't follow back and me lead out. And me say me want a man. And the Prime Minister me so want. Cause I can get the Prime Minister.
Look at the Prime Minister look on you.
Look for me, Daddy.
What?
You don't believe in your daughter? If I get the Prime Minister, you know, you're alright, you have to work again, you know.
You see, when it comes to my daughter, if you admire my daughter, lampshade me a look on. Lampshade. Me not I admire my pitney. The Prime Minister as well. Now go see Unu.
Shut up, Uncle Man. Shut up, Uncle Man.
Go on. You're
Sure.
right.
So, well, then I say, me get one work.
That good. Great.
Yeah,
But what kind of work you get?
start up.
Site work. You must be mad. Where be a man there?
No man not gonna do that.
How you mean I be a man up on site?
No.
You come like you're crazy.
No man not gonna do there.
So how you mean no man not there? How you know that?
The man say I and daughter them are go there pan the work.
You sure about that?
Yes.
No woman alone now up on the site.
No man not gonna do that for true.
You better go look for next work. You come like this.
I that they alone they better work. And that would have look like say money I come from because I must say side work.
Look girl, you have sense. Site work no pay.
Side work.
No money
pay.
in on that. You think to call it 5 grand or 6 grand and they have money that?
We can't tell the police they must say I save the money.
How long? How long you take if you save? By the time you pay your taxi fare out of that and have lunch out of that, that done.
I'm right down the road there, so.
Come on, Kelly, you better go look on next work.
What kind of other work am I going to look?
Look on decent work, comfortable work where they pay you. Side work can't pay you.
I'm going to lie now. I can't bother.
Right backside. You know what this I'm going to pick up on myself? Equal. Oh, Jaja.
Yes, sir.
Mommy better talk to the man, you know.
You mean
You
your
better talk to the
father?
man, yeah.
You mean your father?
Talk to him. Because I can't tell him about me can't have no man. Tell him which age of consent.
So that's
I
it.
can have a man.
So what wrong with him telling you for hold on? Me never tell you the same thing. So what wrong with that?
And that's why he told him to make it in a life. And that's why.
Okay. So, you're going to tell me now make it in a life. You're ungrateful. You ungrateful enough.
I'm grateful.
After me slave myself.
Mm-hmm.
For you, no. For you, your mother and your sister and your mother. Me admit that, yeah, me shouldn't take up 2 women one time. But at them job me to come out have the scale balance.
And that's your rundown.
Or me still stand up in our life. You want a man to stand like me? Take up you and other woman?
Listen to me.
Huh? Answer me.
I'll say what?
You want a man take up you and other woman just like how me take up your mother and other woman?
No man can't do me that. And that's why the man don't get me full attention. It's a full-time work.
Me tell her, you know.
You know,
Me tell her, hey.
Mommy, listen to me, mommy, I have to talk to daddy. Imagine up here talk to my sister. And you can't tell me about construction work. Look at my good modeling body. Look at
That
mommy.
is what is wrong
You
with
can't
young
go put
people
on
in this
construction
world now. What wrong with that? You get a job.
Yeah.
Get
Two of
your
them.
idiot. Look how much people out there want to work and can't find work. I true we spoil them, you know.
Who?
We spoil
Not
them.
your we.
They don't know nothing but when we try to grow them up for the duties, you tell me, no, them too little.
No, they
them
need
too little and cute.
No, they
if you walk street, them hold my hand, the princess them hand. Huh? When me I try raise them for
Then
work
the
on the
them
yard
young,
and
they
no.
never understand fly this.
See now? See
Because
them grow now with the
She look at the
mindset.
cockroach and say a butterfly, then the time that she never understand life. But no, she,
And I look upon you and call you daddy. Me if I call you daddy, I mistake me, I can call you daddy.
Know yourself, you know.
Yes,
Know yourself, you know.
Half of me
And still,
slave
your
myself.
father, you know. You and him and the no size, you know. Know
what
yourself.
hurt me? You know what hurt me? When he told them all upon me, say me not own nothing in a life.
But you don't own nothing.
I don't judge me hot. When me pay 2,500 for.
Well, still.
I said me not
Still.
have no bike. You know me feel embarrassed.
You will feel embarrassed.
Oh God, you feel
You don't own
embarrassed for
nothing.
true. No bike, and that's you worry about.
Oh,
You should have more ambition. Sure, you them get it from. Cause the two of them have ambition.
Mommy, you don't
Only
have
one of my
ambition.
pick me and the two of them.
You don't have ambition. Cause look where you pick up.
So
And me have one other woman.
I'm here to tell you, say, learn from my mistake. You're running it same way.
So Shari, so yeah, that's why they might call me no ambition. And you make them do it. You know, tell them to everyone on my pay go to eat 2 hours.
Them know that.
Me no gin grum.
Them know that.
See? No,
But they
them graduate.
still need mother and father in the home. Not father out the street or doing thing.
No.
And then come, yes,
Me
you
balance
support.
myself.
Yep, support,
Me
yes.
balance
But
myself.
you
If
think
me
of
go
that.
for your sister yard for 2 hours, me come here so me spend a 2 hours. Me make sure me not sleep and none on the yard. Because me don't want
And
none
an
on the
idiot you want to, man, you want to run down like that. Go get a job. Your father gets your work is one good thing you do. You feel look up and say thank you.
Me no want no work. I mean, I look up on him and say thank you, kind of better than me. Me have more than
You
him.
get a job,
You have
him
more
gets
than
you a
me.
job.
Show me $50 in your pocket.
And that.
Show me $50 in your
That's-
pocket.
Give me $50, mommy.
Me look like man to you.
So me try to show you. Wait till me go to school or wait for money.
Hello, me tell a family
You
in
want
9th grade now.
bench.
Say I want to stop going to school because they never have man subject in a school.
God, that's so you're a crutch.
So
I
then
hit you.
when me tell you anything, say I junk me the junk. I junk me that make him think say me understand
I never
them.
did prank.
No, it's prank. Me that fi say a prank, me can come like you want lick me down.
You see, me didn't know so I saw shit the orange. Me stop him from 9 grade to 2. I
You
wouldn't
see,
even
if
make
you did there instead of balance the thing, you would have know you picked them.
as long as me have send money, I mean, I their
You think
life.
say money is it? Them need
Too
foundation.
much sales. I'm
Them
hungry
need
right now.
guidance.
None in there for eat, come here, look, but I'm eat right now, I'm hungry.
Yeah,
My
but
stomach
that
hurt
man.
up.
And he can buy
When
food.
you get a job and
So
you're
what you there for?
independent, all the independent ladies, you have to be independent. So that makes
Mommy,
sense.
you independent and you don't have nothing. You want to come like the rubbish
Me
you found
have
yourself.
my pride. See my front door there. See my little horse, my little house
I
there.
tell you, no, and I'm going to warn you, know. Try and make sure she knows that me build this life in you. And me will take out her backside, put her road because she done with school, you know. She, right.
That's
So
what
me
she
have
said.
already put out her backside.
From Shirenk, yes, me not disagree with that.
Oh,
Because she a come with some chat me not like.
do not again. I beg you. Do not again allow this piece of nasty piece of shit chat to me, so. Me feel embarrassed.
Well, you can't discipline her. Everything on me.
If me
Me for real,
If me
sir.
discipline her, 2 fists in her mouth.
You can't discipline without lick them. You talk to her. When last you talk to your picnic heart to heart? You chat at her. You not talk to her.
No,
talk
listen.
to your picnic and
Me
listen.
go as far as secure 2 jobs for them. Two space in the construction.
good.
What hard in that? Why them a young girl that just only want get up and chat to man and think say going to one man pocket is easy.
Sure.
It come with consequence.
Of course.
Look how much woman pan them news right now with them and them man in a domestic violence.
That's true.
Who no
And them
lose
a run
teeth,
down
lose
man
neck,
and money.
lose hand, lose foot because of money. We too greedy at that today. That's why somehow we man stray and go on the other side. Because of that. Money is the root of, no, as a matter of fact, I don't blame money neither. Because money can't be the root of all evil. The money is greed.
Yes, man. Come
Once
on,
you
son.
love the money, you will do anything.
And then they realize that the more them a run it down, the more it a run from them, you know. They
That is the
can't
thing.
talk to them. So if you can't hear, them a go feel.
And when them feel
Who
the
them a go
pressure.
run to?
I mean, if he dead tomorrow, you know, I don't call for bury him, you know.
Nobody call that down, yeah, sir.
No, I read
call
him.
that.
May I tell you the truth? I mean, I got to tell you the truth, you know. I swear to the Almighty. I read my child dead down in kind of embarrassment and shame for me.
Nobody call, come on, man, nobody call that down. Now you have to talk who is. Call down that pan who for picnic.
You don't understand?
Yes, you start talk sense and then you're gone in a foolishness.
You don't like
Mind your words,
You don't
man.
like your picnic the roll with 5 picnic macaroni and and him a walk with pan and bake. You don't like that?
Me
No.
never say me would have liked that, but stop calling
Embarrassing. You don't like your picnic coming come tell us, mommy, man breed me and run off. You don't like that. And me and you are going to feel the pressure see because you can't feel yourself in the one walk. You understand? Bam. You don't like him coming and say, mommy, boy, me catch HIV. You don't like that. No.
Sometimes you
Me
can't
try
touch
show you.
and sometimes you're gone too deep, you know.
And that with
When
you,
you
woman,
call
no.
down them
And
dead
that with
crosses from me pick me for.
And that with you. I'm feel like you want to try to follow your footstep a little. Because I did have that same attitude one time, you know. Remember, you know, when we didn't know it in time there, you know. We used to drink and we meet at the bar. And I make it too bad wine them. We stop go a bar. Then after while when they curse me.
Man weak. You make your little head think for your big head. That's a man problem.
No,
When
they
the little head think for the big head.
No worry, me going to take you back tomorrow. But anyway.
Thank you for the work. Me try talk to her.
Talk
me
to her,
talk
no.
sense to her. Because
Okay.
Tell them, say, me I go get her for phone them in the morning. Send me the number.
First thing, 9 o'clock tomorrow, make sure I say, she's up on the site.
Mm-hmm.
Now I go to the next one, Mama.
Me no wanna, see, you're really idiot, you know. Now come here and tell me about you go to next woman. Go on, go about your business, man.
So what wrong with it? I try to live like Africa.
Go about your business.
More
Me no
man, you
wanna,
have 4 more wives.
me no, you can't mind one. Go about your business. I come tell me, say,
send them
me
to
I got
school,
to
no?
there. Go about your
Me
business.
give them
Alright, you
subject.
get them the job. You get them the
I
job.
me
Go
get
on
them
now,
job.
man. Go on now, man. You
okay.
have to make people hungry for you, man. Sure.
Alright. Later.
You know just for work.
Mommy. Work.
Your father not tell you come yesterday and tell you say 9 o'clock if you go down to the building site. You know dress for work. You can't go building site dress so. You have to have on steel toe shoes and everything. A building site you go. And as a matter of fact you're
Oh, yeah,
nearly late. Girl, you're late for work.
Mommy, look for me. Me now go, me no want them the dirty work there. And man, me say me no want to work. How much time I want to tell you that what happened to your ears then you not work?
You're not find work until you get a man. Look, where man there? What man at that construction site? Man there construction site like a whoa. You want a man, but you don't want to go where man there.
Mommy, why me must work and Shanice not working? Why must I work? She not work, me not for work. Why me must work?
The business with Shanice. Shanice have her mother and her mother is, her mother is worthless and bad influence. Don't follow Shanice here. Me response for you.
You know why you think that? I told daddy love her mother more than you, so you feel offended.
Me no business with that. I mean, I want to talk about your sister.
You see how a while ago, you push up your chest high, you don't want to look down.
When me feel look down, I forward, and that me teach you.
Well, mommy,
You look forward, not down and round. You're looking forward. You know where you're coming from and you know where you're going.
Mommy, me don't talk.
You have to go work. Look, give us in the mouth, you know. Look how much people out there want to work and can't find none. And are stressed out. You get job landing on your lap, so. Huh?
Why you take you work on them?
Sometimes I wonder if you a smoke or a drink or what. Because you get job landing on your lap, so. And you don't want it. You want man. And your father gets you a job where man there plenty. Me no want go this. You know what you want, little girl? You know what you really want out of life? What you really want out of life?
Want a man filling in my lap.
You know want that. Because your father send you work with man there, and you don't want to go.
Me don't want to work. Me don't want to work. Me don't want a dirty man. Then the man they work man too much. Blah.
You young people and not think with in the head, you know. Not think with in the head.
Anyways, I wake up, and I brush my teeth and my beard, and I the road me I go up and go hunt for a man.
I work you for
No,
hunt for.
further did you?
Why you don't
Man.
get a job where man them there?
A man
like
no
the
want.
one your father
No.
get you. You get the two in a one.
No.
You'll have you hear me out. You'll have your little change, you'll have your money, you'll build up your career, you'll build up your independence. Caleb wants you to be independent. So no man, no woman, nobody can treat you low way.
Every time you talk about independence, me ask that question, you independent?
Yes, no man can come here, sir, and tell me no faults.
Mommy, And that's why I don't want to be independent. Because if I'm so independent, look, I don't want it. You understand? If I'm so independent, look, I do not want it. Look at this. You live in a board house.
Me live
you
in a
don't
house.
got a money. You don't got nothing.
How you
have
think
sit down
you
and
raised to
building
this
black.
big and have such a beautiful body?
Hello, mommy.
Eh?
You see my body?
I ear do it.
You see my body? And then you give it to me.
No.
You will never give my body to
me.
me.
Never cook you in yourself for 9 months and push you out
And
rear you and care for you when you're sick of me. Right? No. Me never do nothing. Me never invest nothing in you. Nothing.
As you told me, me know say your and daddy work hard for the construction site and send me to school. But me not think them they work there for me. But thank you if you go work on it. Me think if you go work on it again and get a better house.
Little girl. Come on to my side.
Thank you
Come
very
on,
much.
rise
Thank you
right
very
now.
much.
Wrinkle face to Jesus.
Yeah, read. What time?
I don't know, you know.
So, it past 9 o'clock down.
Probably. Oh.
You really don't make up on the walk?
You really come back with that stupid thing there?
We didn't really want to go on the work, you know.
Why you really so excited and determined to go up on the walk? Where a beer man, you know, say, come on, I can't trust you though.
We didn't want the little money.
What, 6,000 and 7 grand?
I don't understand, you know. Me I protect you from the police and I get it in your brain.
Yeah.
Me sorry, some tell us I say what me did that go up. Me should tell us I don't want to China, me they go walk.
But that's even worse. The money don't depend them know what they have to go hotel go up.
They're not hire nobody right now. We can't believe you. And the man see me as an ambitious girl, you know. The man see me as a very ambitious person. The man say, you think better than the young people here. And you don't really make me go up on the walk. You can't believe
Why?
it.
You're determined, bad.
And I'm determined.
You really want to go up, you really feel allow you to go up on side talk.
What's wrong with it?
You know all 10 man up on side talk out.
No man not did it.
You can't tell me that, you know.
Me not go for look, man. And my money me I go look.
But me do one business whether money go for look or whether money they go for make. Me choose that and decide that for myself. And you are going to choose or decide for yourself. And me choose and decide that if me want to hurt this or this. You know what? Go to the door, free me man for 5 minutes and one car. You know what I tell me say?
Can't believe you really make me go on you. And the man I look at me and say me ambitious young girl, you know. Girl, you look so vexed up. I'm here now. I'm here.
I want to walk. I get her. I need to go on the walk. And my boyfriend don't make me go.
And then side walk where Paul agree up there, so. So what you want to go on side talk go do with 100 man?
You know, man, not dey on the sidewalk.
Them woman, I no pay woman there on side walk.
Yeah, but film start to be a woman.
Me know the side. Me papa did want me go up there go work. I pay a man up there. No, sir. I thought you want to give the boy already.
No, I'm not give no.
So we are gonna say talk to the girl. You know how much man take piece of side talk? You know how much sex give we a side talk? I could have never been a plan to give the boy already.
Girl, I'm not give boy no one.
So we are gonna say talk to do? You broke? You hungry? No. The boy not feed you. What you want? The short of pad?
No.
You short of tongue pad?
Girl, me not
You want pants liner? So what you want to say to go do the 100 man?
You see same thing when I tell about after out the door me time from and hear a friend. I tell them about this same thing I'm just want about. Me agree with she, you know.
Alright.
But she a chat a
You
facts, you
must
know.
in a business you agree with her. I mean if you agree with.
You have to agree, you might agree with if you go and walk with 100 man. And then when you come back, you're right instead of dirty.
Girl, me not go raw.
You could have fooled me.
And I see what I mean I go.
Me I come about my business. You know how much man up there so we want to release the aisle? Eh?
Well,
You know how much man up there so we can live 5 block one time.
Right.
I them release. That's why the man look woman pick up, they go walk. And then man then go to talk, say, oh, don't have to do no what they can go no and 10 grand instead of the 5 grand. You want to lift bucket for 5 grand if you have a menke.
And a friend will make more sense than you. Look into why your friend and tell us how me and tell us say. You don't need fear go and them. Look how much else work out there. I want to can choose.
I want me could have get at the moment.
Try see if you can look on next work. Who will you work out there?
So, I'm afraid of mine. I'm go walk.
Don't do that, I'm afraid of mine. Good thing that.
What's your girl? Me think I gonna work.
Are you me think gonna work?
Yeah, idiot. You come like say you and daddy mad, you know. I now go work for him. Me no want no work.
Eh, well, you feel more likely go with him than me because you are him favorites. But
No.
anyways,
Me no want to work. As I said before, I don't work. Me want a man. Me want.
Oh, you
Me
want
no
a
work.
personal man where you gonna get bun.
Yes.
You want people man.
I'm sorry. Me not get no bun.
Yeah, I gonna get bun.
I'm not going to get any bun.
Alright.
But anyways, girl, come here.
What happened?
Me have a plan for daddy. Cause me know I have money. But I make him go and work up your money and work and pile up your money. Me no need for go work for him. Me just need for work for himself and pile up your money. And we're gonna make you call daddy.
Oh, come and think you did think when him pile up your money, him that go just issue it out
No.
for you.
We go make up and plan and we go call daddy and tell them say people them kidnap me. And if you pay one ransom.
How much may I get out of it?
Hello. 50-50.
No.
Oh. Well, I'm sorry.
Remember, the people them will call you have to pay them too.
Hello. Remember say me I get kidnapped.
60, 20, and 20 for the person.
No.
Call it.
Well, the business and I go work. Because you feel like you're smarter than me.
Yeah, plan to go work somewhere else.
Yes, can I find somebody
Alright,
else?
50-50.
Right.
So who are gonna pay the man?
I never tell us I want no man.
So who go do the call?
Hello, you say you have one man for yourself, right? Look,
No, me never tell them you have no man for myself.
okay, you say you
I
have people, man.
I mean, I haven't fully yet.
Make the people, man, them just say hello, or you change for vibes.
know
Use
they-
AI. You don't have an iPhone, use AI. Me no have no money for pay nobody. Use AI.
Alright, I use AI. How about after?
What happen after?
Mm-hmm.
You tell them so they kid them and they have to pay one ransom and talk about big money. Me no little money. High money we want. Millions.
We get the big money where we gonna keep it.
Girl, I gone, me gone.
Oh, you play
I gone, me. Girl, if you have the money, you can't go on with your people, man. When I get my money, I go with my man alone. Anytime I find him, I gone, left daddy and mommy.
Who can pray you find that? Me I go catch up my ear and something.
Okay, come on, girl, we follow you.
And then me come down here.
Alright, come on.
Can't believe it. God knows me can't believe it. Can't believe it. Me can't believe this. From morning.
She still not come.
Huh?
She still not turn up.
And you know what I want. You know how long me I look for them. If one girl come there yesterday, how long you want, you know. He look like he hot like a 10 fireside. I can't tell me say he want to work. I mean, she turn up. Every one of the young girls is the same.
Yeah, young people, them don't know them born. And that me tell her this morning, you know. You want to see how she come out to the house with pants shorts, so, and where you they come from?
One of the there from morning, me I look for up on the site. You let me down.
So you know they grow.
Where am I diagram?
So we let you down. We never know how we
Me
want
no
it.
mean physically down on the ground and let me down.
So we did roll it up.
You know want to walk?
Me tell you already.
Daddy, look for me, boy. How me if you lift up bucket? Me go ask somebody who can lift up bucket.
Empty
Me no
bucket.
want no can in my hand. Come on, me a rub down the boy, you know, say me hand a cut you up and me reach down and cucumber. Me no want to say me hand a cut up in cucumber, you know, so me not lift up nothing.
You hear what come out her
No.
mouth?
You hear what come out of here, because me don't want to back sit down.
So daddy, how we do over here?
Yeah.
I mean, baby mother too.
So you never come over here from man over here. So.
Because me I work. I'm a beard off,
I
and I go somewhere go deal down work for 2 days, so me can buy myself a nice things. Cause I don't say me no own nothing. That's it. I don't say no.
Well,
me no own nothing off of me mind, you know. Send them to school, clothe you, feed you know.
Well,
Good.
me I tell you this now. Me no want no work, and the people man me say, and the people man me want.
No girl. You say people man. Me say my man.
Yes, people man me
Sure.
want, and she wants somebody for herself. But she not gonna ever find that because look on you. You did not give me bun, you know. So which part she gonna find a man who better than you? Me I rock it with people, man.
No girl, man not the better than
Hello.
Hello.
Workless.
You never gonna find a man like me. Cause guess why? Them the man the top exist.
Daddy.
No man on this earth will left now. No man no pick me, you know.
Daddy.
They will never tell us say we are gonna breed.
Oh, this is a good breed.
Well, no man on this earth now gonna loyal to you, you know.
I mean, no want a man like you.
Because Uno is just like the garbage truck.
And you was just like the rubbish sheep round the back.
I remember say your father you talk to, you know.
No, say nothing, man.
You and we are no
say nothing, 'cause you see
size.
that outer, when I put him backside out the door, you know. Any man she'll take up
So
better
girl,
can-
you can't put me out, sir.
Hey, hello.
Hello.
The 2 room down there, maybe like your
think
But
woman.
the thing is, when you take me out of it, me go find a man yard and go.
And that is the
And
thing
you
wanna go
accept
wrong
it
now.
out and can't
Yes.
put me nowhere
When
out.
you find a
So you
man,
that make your man put out your pitney.
You can talk to your papa, so you know, me is a big woman to you. Address your tone and
But
address
you
your
let
words.
the man put out your try while you still under a roof and you pitney out the door. You would be a careless mother.
Control your pitney, you know. I mean, not even address that.
them, as me say, them reach adult stage. It's not my pitney no more, you know. Me wipe them off of my will.
Because she a rubber
So we are
and
look
for
to
me
work here,
pitney.
go give it for.
Because me want to have ambition, no
Daddy.
ambition.
Come here, me hold your hand. Come here.
No.
Where
no,
say where what?
off of my will.
They don't have no home. What me all get?
Me and the house.
Couple board.
No, daddy. Just also want to fix up properly. We don't want
Nobody
that.
leave them nothing. Better you give it to me, give it to charity, give it to something who,
But they don't have nothing for left.
who
The only thing
deserve
that you left
it.
behind is you.
He not leave me behind,
I saw your father, you have all person we expect to come better. You come like you come worse.
And she a lead, she a
And the
stray.
one blood. You don't think me I got mix? So we are
You
trying
don't
to
have
see
to
the
be
thing she
blood.
a jacket. See they expect me to grow good.
Me never say no jacket, you know.
Oh.
Then what you are trying to tell we said it?
Me think say you, you, they come better than she.
So she and a fear
Hey,
blood.
so everything I come
It
out in
was-
the light.
no.
No, you put
Eh.
down for we picnic.
She and a fear blood.
Who?
You put down
She.
for we picnic.
So why me could come to nothing good in life?
Exactly.
Huh?
Why me could come to nothing good in
Exactly.
life?
Everything I come
And
to
my
light
sister,
now.
listen now. So if me a sell, she have to come sell with
No,
me.
my picnic not sell nothing.
Well,
you
you
and
said
your
you
mother
had
don't touch me
Yeah,
picnic.
she
Oh,
has me come sell with you.
You and your
not
mother
sleeping
can.
on right now,
You and
you
your
come.
mother can do what you and your
Listen to
mother
me,
want.
Listen to me and listen to me good.
And the brother bring down my
Me
picnic
think
when you get.
me that go come better too. But when she start calling you for me,
And that's your follow. And that's your
How
follow.
your mother call that?
And
It's
that's
you,
your
not
follow.
me.
Listen, that. You're very common. I'll tell you why you're very common. Even when we are right, we have to use the that. So anybody call it that, you say thanks. Because they have to use
Yes, so
it.
you can't finish a sentence without that.
Right. Anyway,
That finished
Ginger
long
Fly, me I
time.
talk to you now. You see, like how you don't want no work. Find all the man them you can. Sell them your
One
body.
man me want and a one man me I go get.
Any day and day I send to the man take no up. I shall shake that man.
And any day and day me breed me carry come put it on you.
Nobody follow she with them the idea.
And
you know.
the idea,
Anyhow
yeah,
you
we
breed
bring-
that you look out
Girl,
straight.
come.
Yeah, run.
Flick him, yes. But you're bad breed daughter, rub off for me picnic, you know.
It was-
Control your picnic.
Yeah,
Don't
but-
make me have to
listen.
go. Don't make me have to go to our mother house and control
Listen, no,
can
no.
our picnic. Can rub up on my
Alright,
picnic.
yeah.
They come in my yard and come rank with me, you know.
All right, yeah.
Oh.
Everybody I go feel, you know. I go for 2 days. Let me see all the 2 hours I go survive with food in this place. Yeah.
Go away which part? Which part? Go
Me I
away.
go buy my business, go fix up myself. You know what I'm
Anywhere
saying?
you are, go me there with you.
All right, you can there.
Anywhere you go, for bringing next picnic pan, come rank with me in my yard.
I
Come bring
when the
it.
yard is here. I'll let you hit, you know.
Hey!
I'll let you
Hey!
hit.
How old Caleb be? Not big enough woman for say she want a man.
You don't
follow
matter.
the law.
It don't
More
matter.
than 5 years, come on our ring. Half of everything. kiss it. So like I said, anywhere you're there, me there with you
Take
like
it, take
clothes
it.
in a back.
Take it land.
Take everything. Well, gone for 2 days. You better come back by 4 o'clock.
Bro, we lick a can know that he ever want to lick me. What make you? No, man. He love licking us.
Let me tell you.
What?
Money, you see him dress up. Yeah, daddy dress up.
I work, he saying gone pan.
Money work, you see him dress up.
Oh, God, me tired. No, man.
So now we have to go.
So where they? I just up your call that? Oh.
I said, question.
So we call in regular days then?
I don't know. Daddy don't understand. Daddy don't know for general. As me, I say, girl, daddy gone for the money work.
So what?
So now daddy not go there here.
I could never the plan where we talk about this man and you have things to do so quick.
No, me not do it so quick.
Oh.
That no day I know. So nobody in my mind, in my head, I tell me say, people.
Your mother got tell us if you look work. Me surprised she just still got market.
Mommy do not left the yard anymore. No, me get to go up the big road. Or which the one bag of man them there. Daddy want up there to turn me back again. Cause every time I go up there, he turn me back. I mean, I get to find a man, so me go and find a man now.
Well,
the man them gonna come
yeah,
over.
you don't go the big road, you know. My man is people man, and me eyes them now come off of him. I him me want to him me I go get.
I hope so nobody no kick your foot and take the man.
My man never
The man
did
want
kick
you?
my foot. Me never explain that to the man. Me never ask the man that.
So I'm not saying now. So all you get to get the money out every day.
No worry your head. No worry your head. My secret is my secret. Your secret is your secret. Anyways, me I come got my yard now. Cause my mama must have wonder where I'm there. Bye bye.
I want to find a friend man in my face. Like I was taking friend man in them. Hello.
Hi, what's up?
Yeah, how are you?
Tibi didn't call me, no.
Oh, my name is Taylor.
Nice to meet you, Taylor.
So, you come from that area, around that area?
That's alright, up here, there's something to do.
Yeah. So, first me I see you.
First, me and see you too. Where you live?
I live up on my spot, see. Cross the road. So, I'm asking a question. When I go around the bushes, I come around the car and I get straight to the pine. And you have no woman in our relationship?
Well, I don't see me no one do, but I come out tight. Come woman and cheat for me.
Yeah. So, admit to say me a right one and come in a cheat.
Yeah,
Me you can't talk.
Boy, that two woman did say before he start cheating, you know.
Alright, me tell you what to do then. It's like how we just meet, we're not going to rush into it. We're going to text and so we're going to exchange number, you put your number on my phone right so. And then we reach home, we just text and get to know each other. Understand? Thanks. Yeah, TV. So, make sure you come out of a relationship. When you come out of a relationship, you link me.
Me I come out there right now. So me
Alright,
reach out.
that means you're single.
Alright, I'm single there now. So,
Good. It was nice meeting you.
see him.
Yeah.
So, as we reach out, I suppose if you say a number, call me or text me, you know.
Me text her right now.
Alright, there I go.
Yeah. You tell my sister, you know. You must find a man for my style.
Hey, where you come from?
I work.
Work.
Work me I look.
So me not tell us something I look no work.
Yeah, you did tell me. Mama said me
A bunny I give me work over there so.
no.
Which part over there say you go look work?
Down in a lane. 3 bamboo walk me dig.
Are you there to take me for?
No. I'm to take it for eat them place I work. Me go look at me then me to tell something.
Which part over there so somebody can go look work?
Down a banana walk. Me cut through. So where you come from?
Continue to ask me where I come from. No more.
Where you come from? You lost So, how you look for? B?
Shut up and ask man. Continue to ask me where I look for.
Oh. You must, how you lost? Tell me help you look for now.
Just continue to ask me man. No move.
How you lost?
No move.
How you lost?
No move, Mr. Man.
What am I going to do with that? I have to make tea? A tea I going to make? Eh? Come on now.
Sorry, can't take the stress on me, man. Oi.
Mommy?
And the work you go?
No.
Obviously.
Mommy, I finally found a man. I finally found a man. Now you don't have to worry about nothing. Food gonna finally come in at the house now.
Where you find man?
How man yesterday? Where you there?
Where
Where
you
you
find?
there?
So where you meet him?
Meet him on the road, mommy, and to the me look for him.
And you're coming already with money?
Yeah.
Or what you do so?
I do nothing.
Hell, I'm warn you. I said you can't have feelings for your man, you know, and go find a little boyfriend, you know. But if you have your own independence, my girl.
Mommy, everything you talk about, own independence.
How you just meet him and you talk about say you come back later with money. And what you do so no, man, I gonna give you nothing first free.
Mommy?
And just give money so.
Listen to me, mommy.
And what you give away so you.
I'm not going up, mommy. Listen to me, mommy. I'm an MB man.
MB, what kind of MB? MB him name what MB is?
Me billionaire. Him have money.
So that make you like him.
No. I'm not that money. Who is that money? Because I'm a broke pocket man.
Picture this now. Imagine you and him say you go up on a date and God forbid anything and happen and no catch up. And him jump in a billionaire car and gone. You have fear? If him jump up and leave you and trick you, you have money to pay for your own food. And that me I talk about.
Mommy, something just come with your stupidness.
You can't go pan road without your own money, Kayla. Come on, man. Yes, if you have your feelings and you like a boyfriend, me no wrong you pan that. He's a big girl with feelings and emotions. No must you going want somebody to scratch your itch. But come on, man. Get your own independence first. Prioritize.
Get your own life and come out of mine.
Use my business, you know?
No, I am not your business. Me don't turn big woman. There's nothing you can do about that. Yes, can you know it's some of the parents now? On a fair to say, on in control of the picking them out when they reach 18 and 19. No. Cause when you did 18 and 19, nobody did stop using or try to stop my show. And I tell you this now. Right. Me have a billionaire man, and you can't do nothing about it. Okay. It's my man. You can't stop me from talk to him. You can't stop me from God road. All you can do is talk off your mouth. Yap. Like you swallow fall back. You swallow fall back, me?
Just remember who you talk to. Get rank again. Yeah, you see me stand here and smile. By now, Kayla, you should know what that smile mean. So I'm not happy. Get rank again. Come on, get rank again. We can't hear you. Yes, get rank again. By now what?
You must realize, hey, you could have one smile like this or sit like this. The other man I'm going to road.
God.
So listen to me now.
He who can't hear, I go feel. Carry on with your redness and your big headness.
Anything me I go feel, I long bamboo.
Yes,
no
yes,
more,
feel
not
bamboo.
less.
Nobody come back and cry to me when bamboo broke though. Damn fool.
I can't believe you really feel like me a cheat.
So, I mean, if me see I come from over somebody, you don't must expect her feel say this cheat.
But me tell us your work, I'm gonna look. And before that, me tell us me I go up on the work, go cool out my brain.
Cool out your brain?
Yeah.
And go in a bush?
And a bush. You know it pass. I could go back on the main road.
I don't trust no woman no. The whole and I see you know.
What do you want to do? Yeah, disrespect me, disgrace me for a road.
You deserve it if you get it.
Oh, me deserve it.
Cause you left your good gone, me don't know where you gone, me don't walk and look for you.
Me lost?
You see, said thing when me always the one about the dirty style, the attitude the way you have.
That's what you walk and look for me like me lost. Where you come from down your road?
Something gonna deal with important business.
So you are cheap to them. I'm not put no past you.
Yeah, you can stand no while.
What do you mean you can't take my style? So you feel like me a cheat, you know so me not cheat. Sometimes I even come out of the house. And since me want to work, I start come out of the house.
All female are cheater. Everybody a cheater. Both male and female, nobody not perfect.
Well, me different. Me very much different. You can't say that.
But I want to see who defend for this land.
Me.
Or this a earth.
Me. You know I get it. Me different. I don't know why you can't believe me. You have to trust me. Watch out.
Girl.
What?
Me there here, what?
Me there. That one I thought about me a cheat. You feel like me a cheat?
Yes, stay one go do construction work, would it?
See, same thing I tell her. I can't.
So what kind of friend you be?
No, I'm the friend that speaks the truth.
This is no truth.
Then I want
Everyone
to
else says I'm not cheat.
Me no know, mama. Me no. I can't stay. Look from when you start come a road with me. One last me I go somewhere.
You're not invite me out.
That's the thing. You have a man, you must stay in. You can't go out and run and have your man.
You know what
And I like back then when it is free, you know. You're tired of now. Stay loyal to your man.
Brother, I can't believe you really tell me man say me a cheat.
Me not tell a man say you cheat. Me tell you say you may be a cheat.
You see me with nobody else?
You want to do side talk, have 100 man.
But look how long side work pass and gone.
Then you not talk about that now.
I go through Peaceberry shortcut.
And what happens?
And you think say man me gonna take through bush?
So we are going to short for.
We reach back on the main road cause me never want to walk along road.
So we are go.
I work me little me I go look.
In a shortcut.
So the other else road never did it.
Me don't want you nothing from. Can you see two you come like crosses?
So, you know, before you take up a better girl like all me, you take up she. You know, sister, she a cheat by you. Which woman you see nowadays that walk through that a shortcut there? That shortcut they were full of so much bushy bush than taller than me. Oh, she pass so much bush. I tell you, you know, take up a good woman like all me. You see now, she vex and walk God. When she a vex and walk God, because she never did that cheap pay, she would leave. You need a woman in your life who can wash her clothes, spread up the bed, sweep out the, look on all the ground, look on the ground, what she do? She not do nothing, she just want hairstyle and something. Don't fret and that girl like me. Tell you, I already know you have a secret admirer. Look on all the dresses, the clothes them want fall up neatly and go in the jar. I don't want woman that you have.
Foxy, I trust you. Wait, we get rid of her.
Yes, you get rid of her, because she not worth nothing and she'll give a bun. Me I tell her that. You need a woman who can take care of you. Look on all them platter, look at them don't want to read, but you need a woman for their ear, woman to give money and go their ear. You look nice, you look pop down.
I'll put her up.
Yes, put her out. Anyways, me I come go down the road, but don't tell her say me tell her nothing.
Yeah, tell her.
What if me never call you, don't look for me?
I mean, I must go look for you.
You don't ever call me phone.
So, no, the last time I checked, me gave you my number. So how me fi call your
Me
phone?
call you.
Oh, you know what's that true?
You never call back. You see how come back, you never call back. How did that happen?
I feel your number this up.
Yeah, how did that happen?
You know, say me did miss a call because me did not do something though.
So yeah, so you not give me a chance in your life.
Wait, me have one woman over me at first time I want to put out. You have to wait till me put her out first.
Look how long you have to handle that business. Look how long you have to deal with that.
It come like it hard to do because right now I try come like me there and try and come like in her because she want go and she want stay me. She confused.
You know work right, man, TV. You need to work hard. You don't just put her around. 40 woman, man, you don't want me.
Alright, next time I see me man, you go can come over.
What's next time? Which next time you talk about? So to me, me they go be a yard right now. Come on. Yeah? Come on. Next time I come with you, yeah? Next time.
Girl, I want you to know.
So we are out here so now. I first place you on road. Me never know you come outside.
I stretch my foot there, man.
Oh, so what happened?
There, man, do look like exercise.
So who she you tell her with?
Boy, me don't know who.
Oh, I think I didn't know who. Come on, come up road. Oh no. Such girl move out or something.
You can call it so. I just want to travel over there.
This you the really the pan. Stand up on roadside and look. Other people, man.
So you know see people, man.
And I say you say that is
You
your
see,
program. Other people,
all
man.
mix up, you all mix up and grill like your front. Let it go on. I don't know up to me. I'm a father. I'm father.
Could this little Maggie just come to big
Oh, yeah,
people?
call
Solve
Maggie.
no problem. Solve no
Little
problem.
Maggie
Look
girl.
at you.
Me
You're
is
all
a
in a-
big woman to you.
Me a big man to me.
Which
Which
part
age
you
of
a big-
consent me pass
Which
18, you know.
Me no care what you pass.
Let me ask you
Me
something.
old enough to
Yeah,
give
yeah,
birth to you. Me a big woman
Yeah,
to
yeah,
you.
wa. You see
Huh?
me pan road, you
You
know me
come
mama,
rub out
you know
from
me
the
sister,
picnic.
you know me auntie, you know me stepmother. You know what pass like how you go on. Anything
Now
I
want your bad cold rub off from a picnic.
any bad color in our face picnic is you. You're
I
all
come and
and
stand
grand
up.
up where you're
I
there
come
now.
and
You're there
stand
now
up on
tight.
roadside and look, man. You're not ashamed.
No, me not shame, you know why?
Instead of you go look work. Huh? Go look work and become independent. You're there with what you call other people, man. And that's what you say. Other people, man, you depend.
When your mother listen your farm work, where you go? You go pick apples? No, you pick me pop. You never pick no apple nor no strawberry.
That is
You
your
pick me
business.
pop.
That
So,
is your
listen
business.
to me, listen
That
to me.
is long before your past sperm run up to your mother egg.
Me no
You're
really
saying that your business.
He breed the twin
Come
one
out
time,
of
I just
big
different
people
man.
business.
Me a big woman come out of my life.
You see, you young people, you
Watch
can't
it.
hear.
Pum printer
You
yeah, we are
can't
all
hear.
man.
And when
One
you can't
lady.
hear, you go feel.
That
Before
make me
you go
feel.
look work. I wouldn't mind. You do what you want to do, but you're impressed by my child. Before you
Can
go
I make the
look
boy
work.
gone? Me didn't even collect the boy number. Look at old man, go on in, man. Just go on in.
You can't be doing that.
I'm not gonna sing back at mommy can go. But what if she not over there? Yeah.
You can't
You
talk
couldn't
to
make
you.
me
You
collect
can't
the
talk
number.
to you. Because when you, if you're not here, you're going to feel.
Tell the lady when me feel and you hush me. If me breed me give you the child. Hi.
You alright?
Not really, me just have one quality and take
How you look so? What going?
I'm your boyfriend at
Oh God. What happened now?
he feel like say me a cheat. All yesterday, because me tell him, one day me tell him say, me go look at work.
Which is right.
Because him alone can provide at the house. Me want can put something on the table too.
I love that.
So me get up one day and go out and look at work, and one man was there like him a building house or something. And me tell him some want to work, and he say yes, me can come and he work. Right? And when I go home and tell my boyfriend, he cuss me about how a man me want to go on side to go look and all kind of something. He don't trust me. And then in one next year now, he see me on the road. You know, peas man shortcut. Yes. Me did come through this because remember say we can't tell through this if we go on the main
Yeah,
road.
man.
So me I come through this now and he see me and he talk about if a man me go take in a bush and beat me on the road.
Jesus.
Yeah.
No, girl, you're not to take that.
And then Shanice a follow him. And I talk about me a cheat. So me just fed up on him sometimes. And do not trust me.
No, let me tell you something, young lady. You're going on the right path, you hear? Me I talk to my daughter till me blue in the face. I wish you could have meet my daughter and talk to her like this. Cause it's ambition like that me want children to have. Don't make nobody out your light, you hear? Don't make no so cruff, chiggerfoot, pissing tail boy out your light. You is an ambitious young girl and me love that.
Yeah.
And don't make no man put them hand on you neither. Then give birth to you. Am I your pa? Am I your father? Can put hand on you? No, don't ever tolerate that, you hear?
Yeah.
You live your life and you shine your light. So you did get the job?
No, never get no job, but me still a look.
Still look.
Yeah,
and
me
still
nah
do
give
you.
up.
don't give up your right.
Yeah.
And use that as a warning sign.
Yeah.
Why, I don't know what do these young people nowadays. Only if my daughter could have come like you.
Yeah.
You keep your ambition here and shine your light bright. Don't make no man, woman, beast out your lights.
Alright. Anyways, thanks for the encouragement.
All
Me
right.
will continue my journey. So take care.
Alright, shine your light bright, my girl.
Yeah.
Should be more people like you.
B! Wendy. Sorry, I ain't got no. Just me talk more.
Where you go?
Where you come from?
I don't even know where I come from.
Where you come from?
Where you come from?
You don't come here come see me. You let me come from nowhere.
Me there. We never there. We just gone from the road and come back like the evil just reached up.
Me just fed up at this foolishness. Where you gone on the road down now?
Every time go up, some of me one man, me can't go on the road. Me have business I deal with.
What kind of business they could have possibly have deal with every day? You know, so me fed up and sick and tired of this bullshit. Me go look at work. Whether you like it or you don't like it, me go look at work. So you could have bad blood, I'm going to look at work.
Well, you're not on your own now, you know. Let me tell you that, you know.
Maybe by me upon my own.
You're not on your own.
Me not upon no one.
You as far as
And you, me I try to protect. You, cause if you got prison right now, me don't know what am I going to do. You need to know what I do. So whether you like it or not, I'm gonna look at work.
you see any day name there, you say you get up and go look work. You better not come back here, you know.
I'm not to come back here. No, I go see who run this.
Come like you figure say my house this.
You figure tell the two of we houses?
Who are we?
Yeah. Oh, me house shares not this, you know. Get that in your head, clack
Go
it.
and see how brave you be. Go and go look up.
Alright.
Miss Riri, go and go look up.
See, my mother did warn me.
And you never take it warning.
No, we never take it. We
Stupid.
never take it at all.
Stupid.
It's alright. We can't go be in. Oh God, I'm tired. It's so hot.
So where you come from?
Me go look work.
So you not get the point. I want me tell you yesterday.
Then I have nothing to do with me. Still I go look work. No matter what you want to say. I don't care where I want to say. Me still I go look work. I want to be independent because if the police come right now and lock you up, me don't want them lock me up too. So you want to go to jail? Can me I do something to protect it while we end or want me do it?
How you so determined for want look work every day? How what's up?
Me, you feel like if police come right now, you don't feel like you can go that way up?
You short or nothing?
No, me not shot or nothing.
So why you want go look work?
Me I try to protect we from the police. You not work. You feel like say illegal things they do.
So you feel say them a look work and we a walk around the place and try look
Well,
can't
if you
protect
don't
me?
want me look no work, but now go hang you. Rubbish. Oh God. Girl, some color from man and look here there. Where you let her go? Girl, me go look work. You go look what? Work. How you so determined to look work? Girl, what you mean? I like to be independent. You have one man where you want to go look for daytime? Girl, I forget man from to go look for me and me live a house in my man.
You don't look like you want to curse the man, yeah. What you need for work for the man do not give you what you need. You have everything you want.
And that
Abon you want to keep wearing?
Shut up. And that we don't know. That we don't know, young girl. No life to be independent. You don't love depend on man too much. Well, me no want depend on my man. Me no want depend on him. Me want have my own things too.
You should have known you want to be independent the day you move in with that man in the yard. If you did want to be independent, you would have go live somewhere by yourself under your own roof. And but you want to give the boy a talk about independent.
You can't say me about independent. You can't say
about independent.
Of course.
Spell independent. You don't even know the first letter of independent. And but you want to give the boy. You?
So why me want to give born? Are you a man?
Woman, I know my man.
You come on me yard because you know. Instead me man bought on me a game born. You see me a game born? Me go look what that means. Me a give me man born.
Listen to me clearly. I know my man, but if you want him, you can take him.
Mama, you can't take my man because my man don't want you. Better come out of me yard and do not come back. I don't know what wrong with you. What kind of friend you be?
Replace that. Will you say again? Me
Me
not hear you.
yard. When you abide me, I don't come back like you're dead.
Say that again. Come out of your yard. How much black you lay
Yeah,
yourself?
come out of me yard.
Listen to me.
Come out of me yard.
Listen to me and listen to me good.
Come out of me
Man, you
yard.
make that touch me now. Oh,
Come out
I'm
of
not
me
floor
yard.
out here. Listen to me and
See
listen.
that? You see me a warning you?
You see me and tell you so this is not your yard.
Get
So
out
come
my
out of
yard.
the boy yard because it's not your yard.
Alright, don't move.
Girl, me come out here. Let me don't have to come back.
You shouldn't move. You shouldn't move. No, me never know say I feel me and fear, man. Wait until, alright.
Look how the little girl just so now we are going to use clean up the yard. Then mash up the yard and then they clean up the yard and then we're going to use that as an excuse now. Can't stand them sometime, you know.
Kayla! Sister girl!
How you me so you not know manners? Little girl.
Yeah.
Hey little girl. In my yard.
Lady!
You come in the yard and you not know manners.
Lady! Don't stop with me this man because I'm wrong. But stop you got tap this man. You see the sun hot? Finally make me go on underneath the shelter. Excuse from here.
Where you go?
Where Kayla? I'm
Well,
sister.
let me tell you something. You come in my yard, you have manners.
Wait.
Good
Say
night.
that again.
You come in my yard.
In a
since you're
over
deaf.
yard?
Little girl who you talk to, so
Listen
you
to
think
me.
say me and your
I
size.
spin me papa yard this.
My business.
Spin me
My
papa
business.
yard
When they know.
this.
When they know.
Me no business
no
when they
business
him send
with
down
that.
work.
Me control the yard. Who you say they are? Who a black door out?
Yeah.
You have a turn outside door.
Excuse me, me
You
don't wake
have a
up
turn
my sister.
outside door. Make nice.
Lady.
And me control your so little girl.
Lady.
18 what not years me there with your papa. So
And
let
why
me
I didn't there with him in there with me
let
mama?
me teach you about the law. 5 years I means common law.
You have a
Me
ring?
name-
You have a ring?
Me no
And out
need
of marriage you breed enough.
Me no
You don't have no
business.
talk to breed
Jamaica
out
law
of
send me
marriage.
a wife. That's all I business with. So half of this of mine.
Which for your
And
wife?
me control
Which
this.
for your wife?
So
So if your wife
get
name mama.
some manners.
If your wife
Me no
name
business with
mama.
your control. Man, just catch his mother. Me no business with she.
Man, I could just shut.
You know, see how your head big.
Oh, yeah,
You
could
know,
just
see how
shut.
your
You
head
see your big.
Yeah, in our head.
That's
you
why-
See our head.
That's why
Little
you could
girl.
just stretch out more. You're damn and bright. Call my sister, I'm come go about my business. I'm not come about you. Cause first and foremost, me not no talking with you. Cause you simple already yesterday. You didn't even make me get the man. No, me make the man gone and no, me don't see him back.
Oh dear, hush. I want to see your froze. You pussy him the ones.
And your friends will act run him. Don't make me disrespect you
Hey,
now.
You
Don't
disrespect
make
me
me
already. You come in my
disrespect you.
yard. And you not say hello. You not have no manners. You not coming in my house.
Me never coming in the yard. I'm coming in my father's yard.
Your papa not there, so go back to your yard.
Why
In
my
my-
sister
in
there?
my today, your yard.
Why my sister there?
Me for answer to you.
You see?
Last
You
time.
say
you
your
said
mother,
me
you
a
don't
big
even know
woman.
where your picnic
Me
there.
a big
What kind of
woman.
mother you
Me
big?
no answer to little picnic, little chibi picnic.
Big and kill this and walk
Eh,
this
come
way,
on to me
mama.
yard.
Move from here.
Rank and out hard and what looks like your mama. Where your Diana come from?
Mommy, how you do fix up the place?
Fix up the place.
How you keep money from?
How the rate break and nothing other than in the yard.
Not about how the rate broke. I take me take out the tick out there and put in the map stick in the house. You know, see it in the house. Remember the one bend me back and wipe out the floor, some music.
Never
Are you buy things?
Me no know about that.
Where you get money from?
Me no know about that. Me no Me hear banging and things earlier when your father and his friend Christopher did there in the yard. I must see them.
Daddy, how money now?
Me not talk about that right now. You see your dry foot, bad mind, dirty mouth sister. Me don't want her to come back here. But I come bang down my house, I call for you. She cost me one clot long, so come tell me
I'll
about.
tell her, mommy. She not do that.
Not do that? Kohama Vila stand up. She not long gone. She come in the yard and I look for you and I cuss me. Come and tell her, I say she must have manners. I straight up in the yard she want go. Pass me like some in a there. True, me tell her, say have manners, little girl. You come in a people place. You have to say good morning, good evening. That depend. Me not talk to you. When my sister there. Me tell her, say have manners or else you can't come in. Long story short, she tell me something long, so I tell me about my pum pum and what size my pum pum is. I'll tell me, say you soon reach orphan. Me not want her to come back in my yard. Here. She tell me, say you soon reach orphan. So what she gonna do to me, so? I'll threaten me and everything. And storm out her yard like say she own nothing here, so.
That the girl that they call me orphan,
Call
mommy.
you orphan.
Me?
So I'ma say me and your pa she gonna threaten.
Watch me and her.
Watch
Watch me and her.
Tell her so don't come back to me yard neither. Where did me come from?
Dirty girl, me and your sister.
And you call me dirty girl?
Yes, I'm your offering. We you know about me. We you tell mother that about me for.
When you hear me tell your ugly mama that, listen to me and listen to me good. I tell your mama that message. I tell your mama send a tell no lie for me. What me fi call the orphan? If you're orphan, me I want an orphan too.
Mommy come over there, right? And mommy say come over there, come and cuss her off and tell her how her underneath big.
Me?
But me never busy about
Your mother
underneath,
tell
but
me say me mother pum pum big, cause me head big.
me never busy about food business. And why part when she say yeah this, me say no, sir, me yes, she say yeah this me.
Girl, me go over your yard and me not see me cause one day she see me on the road with a little boy. And no worry, girl. No, your business that. She see me with a little stupid, right? Before me get the man number, she come and run the man. So me not talk to her. Me go over your yard and me walk past her. And me got knock on the little piece of plywood me put have over there. And me call her. She did not answer. Me never hear me never want answer me.
over there.
Well, anyway, the door go your galang. But your mother call me and tell me, say, they must come out of she yard because at 18 to 20 years she know with my father. And she married. How she married and she not ring? How she married and she not serve a ticket?
Me no busy about that anyway. So I'm talk to you about something.
Tell me about what?
Why you gonna go over yard? You see Sally takes her someone up on. Me wonder if daddy come back. I think he come back.
Me not thinking come back. And if he come back in there by Celtics, you them more likely if he look for one cub and pull down it and use the all board them.
So you say about the kidnap, me plan make people kidnap me now and get the money off of
I
daddy.
still come class me as dirty girl.
Girl, come and think so you diss me. I love you.
That's if you ask question. But anyways,
We need to have a plan.
I have a plan already, girl.
You
But
have
me
plan?
just never tell you. Alright,
plan?
listen to me. They say in a 3 days time. So if you not come today, I come tomorrow. So me da say. So see tomorrow when he come, he not fi see none of the 2 of we now.
Yeah.
None of the 2 of we. But anyway, I go look for we unless I work him want give we. So you see the next day now, we call him and make him know say you miss him.
Don't
But
call
that
him
the
for your
thing
phone
now,
number, don't
girl,
call.
me not eat that. Me have one RSIM where one little Scooby use. Me go make him do it for me.
Arson.
Girl, one SIM but I know Jamaican or foreign number. How you go? Me don't know how you go,
So
but
you get Arson from.
no worry your head, girl. Me have links. Me tell you say me have one little man to talk to. But yes,
Why
a people
am I not know
man.
about that?
Because a people man. Me not have him for myself yet.
Girl, I have a little booger too.
Where you get man from?
Girl.
This one don't have enough money, no.
And I saw me meet him. I done on the bottom road. He
Ah.
said, girl, in brown and nice. A vanilla girl, vanilla. But he say you have a woman, but he say man woman left. So me and him no vanilla girl, vanilla.
Nobody think him and him left with you. I regular me get tricked too. So where you go now?
No,
Because right now me I got my yard to
over.
bed. Alright, go on here later.
Yeah, bye-bye.
Bye bye. Remember no tomorrow.
Yeah. Oh, God. I'm so tired.
Where you come from?
Make work.
Work. Alright, wait, come on. Where can I come from? No.
How are you there?
Work this.
So you give me back for?
Work that.
Jesus, something me on. Alright, so come back.
You
Miss
come
you,
out to
you
help
sturdy.
me. What you call me for?
My sister is sturdy. I'm a talk to her. And she said, she never said none of that to you. So if I lie, I tell you, must stop the lie on her. Because she said,
She come here and cuss me in a
no,
yard.
mommy.
Me no business with
She said you tell her, say her mother underneath is big. So must not
Me
show
would
that
have
you
said
lie.
that if she never come up and cuss me.
No, mommy, I don't know. I would like that she said. She said she never tell her nothing like that. But anyways, no
Believe
matter.
her, man. Believe her over your own mother.
You
Believe
know, it's
her.
about full situation. I'm not going to worry. I'm going to worry about them or something here. Because you don't know who bring them come in our yard. I'm not feel like I want police to haul and pull you and bring me back at you.
Yeah. Morning. I'm back.
Hey.
Yes, I'm
you're
back.
back.
I'm happy to see me. Cheer up, man. Yeah. There. Sorry.
And
You finally remember where your yard there.
I want to bring you come in the yard.
Who?
Me don't know.
Who else
don't
can
know.
buy them but me? You don't have money?
Hey,
See
yeah,
how
money now.
Oh, wait till me go pan.
Hey.
I got
Me
money
don't know who
now.
you got
You
on.
got money now.
Yeah.
So give me money now.
Well, that's what we come back safe.
We know
Me
to come back
sis,
safe.
you see, say you come back safe.
The one that
You
you
need to say
transfer.
something for. Are you coming and come boss and brag say you have money, so you
Oh,
must
no,
have
no,
money
me
to
go
do
get
it.
money.
Where you want to go get the money?
Yeah, I don't know, you know.
What adult? Me at 12 years old.
Where
What you
me-
talk about? Me at 12.
Oh.
Give me money, daddy, give me money. Me at 12. Give me money, daddy, give me money. Me at 12.
You
You
me-
love breed woman? You have to mind your picnic and mind your woman. Them you say you want to live like what? African? African man have to mind them wife them. Come man.
How much African I want to live like?
Him say he want to live like African because him have many wives.
African
So
you want
he
TikTok
mind
you attack?
You must be mad.
Which African you attack then?
Me attack Africa. I want to be like the man them over Africa have more than one wife.
The
them.
black,
So you have
black
to
man
mind them,
them.
you know. There's rules and laws for all that. You think say it just
No,
go so?
listen.
You
what me
think
say.
it just
no,
go so?
No, listen. Oh, me run my thing.
Hey.
You see the reason why me buy them, yeah? Because me have good news and bad news. Which one I know I hear first?
Me no want no bad news.
Talk about bad news.
Which one? No, no,
The bad news. You hear me say bad news, Def?
Oh, the bad news. No, we go to the good one. The good one is good. I'm going to use it to part of the house in the room them. Part of your room, black part it in a two, right? Yeah. Because I have discovered that I had another daughter.
Hey!
Yeah.
If you never fall, I'm going to shut your box.
Hey!
Back to you.
Where you find data from? Where you find there's a data from? You idiot?
I country me go.
That's
How old that pick to me?
17 to 18.
Jesus.
Hey! 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 Hey!
Ah,
That me how much?
huh?
Padlock
18.
now.
Shanice, how much?
Call you 18 you know. Next month 18.
How you do?
Huh?
Yeah, we do. A world record you want to make?
Where my record? Me don't understand.
Because you only pick them, you come let them at the said age. How happen?
I drop her every time.
You're alright. You want me tell you what happened? That's when me pick up your mother. She never had no people, right? And I put her here, right? My intention was not to date her, but we end up do something.
Oh.
Hey!
And so she pregnant. Me not no choice.
So you
Ask
try to
him
say me
how
a
me
mistake?
get pregnant.
You say me a mistake?
You're more than a mistake. It's like when you multiply something. But me still accept you as my daughter. Same way, I'm a mind you.
You know, say
Insult,
you
yeah,
dry
insult
foot,
me.
man. One thing for breed up the whole district. But now you come this my daughter, never mind your daughter, you come this my daughter.
No.
So you find that
Did I this?
Insult,
Did I this one?
you take it as
Did
a
I ever this
compliment
one,
or insult.
Insult, yeah, insult.
Oh, me tell you the truth. She know that. I put her up.
You know my mother. Never feeling something bring me
Put
up in the family. I feel
No,
like they
listen.
switch me at
Put
birth.
up.
I put her up. But guess what happened
Me
now?
now waste
Me the
time
goat.
for him.
Cause me the man me
Me
love
now
me
waste
up.
energy upon him.
Me the goat. I'm coming drunk. She come in my room, come mess with me.
Hey,
Boxing.
me make you rise.
So in the
me make you rise.
in the morning when I wake up, she was in the bed naked. So I said, come, say something happened. When me look it for me, me did naked.
So how you get Chinese now?
Oh, when you're in your mother belly going on, right? But maybe few months, look at it. She drive me crazy. You know me, yeah, I don't want to know. So I drink and I get drunk.
Oh.
And I left the bar with Shani's mother.
Yeah.
What
And when
an
we wake up
imagination.
for Shani's mother yard.
Oh.
Right, so we end up get Shani's in her belly now. While you in her belly, they look, come on.
Something to the
You
other one
know
now.
why?
The other one
Yeah.
is the same thing. Shani's mother, when she did put me out, out of my own house, me that man like this, me not fight woman. So me know me have other options. Me go to Shani's mother house go spend time, but she drive me crazy too. Oh yeah, go back to your dirty woman yard, your baby mother yard. Oh, so you know expect say baby want rub down, your baby head want rub down in her belly. You know expect say baby belly want water and this and that.
You hear why I got so much woman?
So,
you know what him name in the district?
It drive me again.
Bolt.
Figure drink, right?
This.
I remember this nice, beautiful lady named Maisie. And we do a 1 and 2, and me give my money. But me never know see the woman pregnant until when we go to country, we see this big picnic and come up and say, see your daddy there. So me I say, daddy. Yeah, man, somebody. But me look on the picture and I say, yeah, in favor of me, but me,
Daddy, actually, no one bad blessing take me. Come the lick it on flat of dirt.
No, nobody touch
Who's
him.
Can't you claim to
joke
say?
about this. Him can't do nothing too hard, so I saw him have to fly like
See the whole of the
honeybee.
pity them where you get. Actually, you did junk. You never mean to get none of them.
No, me never plan for no picnic yet. Remember I said I was young.
That's why I say you is my investment.
Me is not your investment.
Yes, I trick me then I'm coming to my house. Can you enter?
So I
You are
hold,
investment.
I hold batter with you.
Mommy, you don't have no sense.
Me batter with which part?
You shouldn't trouble
Me
me.
if take myself rise hand pan him.
You see one junkie man, I got girt up with him.
Ah, Tio.
You
Yes,
take
see.
advantage of the man.
You believe
Ah,
you're really idiot. You fall for
Mommy,
it. Me not,
you see
me
if
not
me a
argue.
idiot?
No, because the two are not
You
idiot.
see if me a idiot, you me get it
think
from.
say you supposed to know me. You think say for the foolishness him come out with a true. You think say me with a wrong head breed up
Ah,
on
sorry,
me.
sir. When our mother
Yeah.
and father tore her out, who put her up? Me put her up. As a young boy. Young boy, we should have.
Him have imagination.
No, man, me alone can take in noise. I mean, if you get Shanice, me alone can take in noise. Me dey go on the road later. Me alone can take in everything when the right answer. Cause this is one mix up.
What a way you have. Me
So you know what
now
I said? She
me
was
now waste no
mistake.
breath and everything.
Who you call mistake?
No, it was a. No, all right, I know mistake. Your mother hold me down.
Shovel it down.
Hold me down till you come as a hold down baby.
I saw me good.
What?
Matches on fire and good. Me, look how
Look
sharp
what
me
you know.
be. Look how little me be. I saw me hold on and rape this big old man. I saw me good eye. Pan fire.
And
And
mommy
you
got raped
believe
in the
him
ball
like
out.
an idiot.
And mommy a rape in the ball out.
Ball out?
Him
Yeah.
ball out,
Let me
yes.
ask you a
And I
question.
help him ball out.
In the
though.
dark.
Let me
Why?
ask you a question.
In the dark, you see such a.
Follow him, man. Follow
Let me
him.
tell you
Oi.
something. If you're young, right? And you feel like say you feel
Benancy. Come
you
Benancy.
feel water upon your land.
In the dark?
In the dark.
Mhm.
And you feel like you're in the water go down. You're gonna really come out of the water.
No, me I say if you never see her.
No, I
You know,
was
sister,
drunk. I was
foolishness
unconscious.
You anchored, but you can't see out here guy with a shark.
Sorry, but there was a mistake. And Shanice was kind of a mistake. And the other one was...
You know what mistake? You. God make a mistake when that produce you.
Nobody waste time for them. And Nancy's story, man. And she fall for it and raise her
you
pressure.
make Chicago. You make Chicago.
So what? Yeah, they expect me for mine. You get expect me for man. Try no say.
No,
Me
me-
no want no what them call it? Lower wages and no redundancy. You see? You can't read how much people me no business
can't.
with one of them. Me not take no less money, me not take no less food, and me not take no less take care. You can't take care of the whole district. You know, sister, I can't let run rise up. Me no
Let me
rise
tell you
up, come me
something.
no business, go breed the
Let me
whole
tell you
of
something.
Jamaica. Me no
Listen,
care.
did-
As long
May you
as the
married?
maintenance come in, the food come in, and all my man are coming too.
Me and you married?
Me tell you some business. Me tell you some
No,
business with you.
me ain't married,
Me
right?
just tell you, say, go
Me-
breed the whole of Jamaica, me business.
Right. Me no need to mind you again, you know. From my picnic at
Come
18.
on, law, wife.
Yeah.
Come on,
Swear to
law, wife. Bill Pennant, man.
You get a house.
Bill Pennant. Big half of everything.
Half
Half of this, all half of that. That's are mine. Carry on, man. Breed up.
This
Me
no
not
belongs to
stop you.
government, you know.
Which government? Half
Everybody's
of
law.
everything belong to Popeye, belong to Shaz too. Find out the law, Mr. Man, before you juke it in. You know, man, love think for it on a little head and not use on a big head. Eh? And go breed up the whole of
You say
Jamaica.
half of everything
No.
on me own, right?
Half
Me glad me not own my body as somebody else own.
Mm-hmm. Cause me not want that they have neither. That's all crumbled.
No, no, wait, no bother with that.
Remember, no, you nearly wet me up, you know, so I saggle up for you now, you know.
No, me now wait up I come to apologize.
Apologize. So what to you now?
Him put me out.
Who put you out?
TB.
So you apologize to me. If I don't mean make him put you up, me can't make him put you up back.
Come did one come stay with you. I want to put that put me out.
So the man who did that gear walk through the shortcut, him now, I'm never put you up.
Me never get it work.
You can go look it now.
Me not go get it.
You see all you wicked and fool and nonsense. You want to go look work. Which man you see you have the woman and want the woman go to bar work or construction work? Eh? Which man? Listen to me, listen to me good. I want a little piece of cabinet for cup me living on. Me can't give some of the sleep, but when rain fall, you have to put on pan and bucket. You take it or you leave it. And listen to me good. Every time my sister come, if she come to stay, you have to hold the blow up bed. One little bed where you hear, but by the time you lie down pan it get flat.
Me will take it.
Oh, yes, then tell the practice some. I'm not ready to go on yet. Tell the practice and wait for me. May I look to see if I see my sister.
So I'm going to tell her with your pa.
Girl, here girl.
Big nose.
What?
How did anybody say
Oh,
that?
take time. One girl, me I go put up. Long story.
You know that lake also?
Me tell her, so she have to set bucket and bots.
Yeah, what's more stable?
Me tell her, is that she
Chichi,
take it or
all I
she...
am done your plan.
Girl, is that she take it or she leave it? She can put black oil on it, she them.
Hi.
Hi. 1 minute there. Them.
Then come back.
Yeah. I know what
Then
I
come back and not come up a
You
yard.
know what I said? Daddy, I next one to you know. You know, so we have to rob him daddy too bright. Daddy say me and you are mistake. You never meant to get way.
No, me didn't know me a mistake long time. The
No.
moment you left me up at that ugly house, me didn't know me a mistake. Because I know you a mistake too.
He say me a mistake. What guess me I do? I go and show him what mistake
Now when
be.
we are doing things?
Hello. Tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow
What
we are
time?
doing it. Cause he say he want to come for 2 days. I'm gonna go back.
Big work, him a work on
Yeah.
them. Him a come and go,
He say him a the boss.
So
the
wait
people
there.
them.
So I'm buy uno things and not buy none for you, so.
He say I go part of the room.
So why?
Cause I realize if I want a new daughter.
Oh, that. So much sibling
And
we
she,
have all over
and
the
she
world.
17, soon 18.
So you give me mother bun with fear?
No, I don't say you go, girl.
Oh, you go then.
He give my mother born
No,
with
no,
yours.
so you go.
Me
You
bigger
give-
than you.
Me not really business, and they left your ma.
You know, that's my mom.
And they left her.
I guess I give me father to girl.
What?
Me hear say my mother hold him down.
Rape him.
But me that try ask daddy say if we mom in the hand up him the dark if he never scare.
Call your mother ugly.
Yes! How you pick up your daddy then pick you up?
Call your
Come
mother
here,
ugly.
No, call me mother ugly. My mother very beautiful. Just that's the when she skin up her face. Sometimes she don't look good, but she very
You
beautiful.
know what mother look under the actually?
What?
If it locks, they never make your nose lock off. Girl, go on up. Me a carry girl, go down here. Come, little girl, come.
Something she.
Me a carry her, go put her up for a couple days till she find somewhere to go.
So she never have you had before.
Yes, but long story short, her man put her out. Come.
Alright. Man, I put out she. So the man then put me out.
No.
So,
Dirty girl. You
me there,
mess
sir.
up my work. Tell me where you want to work.
I tell
That's
you
what
know
I'm
what
telling you now.
Let me tell you what, I'm explain and tell you what, my boyfriend stopped me from go can say no, me I work on the site with one bag of man.
Your boyfriend an idiot.
You know have no sense.
So,
And
Daddy,
how me not gonna make no money.
Daddy, I see you walk up and down and you look for the young girl them to give the young girl them a little dirty work.
Mama,
Where you know her from?
there is nowhere upon this earth is dirty. We tell her that, yeah?
Mother love
The
to
money-
get dirty work there right now.
Even the man who work upon the garbage truck, they will work the honest bread. It better than sit down and depend on man.
We not have to
Right.
sit down and depend on man. We can sit down and just dial.
That is the thing.
Hello?
That is the thing.
So when
you
police
understand.
come here,
Una-
you know,
una-
Police come and give them money and have sense now. That's why your man put you out here now, no sense.
You see like every money
Put your-
love, every police love sweet.
Your man put you out?
Yes, I say, come on, me I look work and you know me look work. You want me
So-
Oh, you know my father
Where
by
I
the way.
see?
Why you know
Me
each
don't
other?
want look work and me ask him if he know who own the site and he say yeah him.
Well, me don't tip up at this.
Where is he?
With her.
We see.
Yeah. No, else to go.
Where every time rain fall, our house flood out.
You should have shame to say that.
She ever say what?
You should have shame. A year later you talk about our house before you help her fix up it.
Yeah, 18 next month.
And even that, you know, are you Billy left you over there?
Yes.
You walk past site and before you kick the little zinc them were left with them a hole, you know, you take your car, come and you come put it on the roof. You move from here.
At least you have
So
something
you,
there.
by the way,
Solitex cheap at $2,300 for one
Mama,
Solitex.
2,100.
Oh.
But anyways, I have a bond to pick with
Tax-
you.
Tax company.
Me hear say you buy Solitex and board and things to fix up all by your extra money yard. And when my zinc I go fix.
Let me tell you.
When my board them I go change, cause
Yes,
she not
yes,
have
you-
nyam me done.
Yes, you want me can go over there?
Mm.
Yes, you want me can go over there?
Oh yeah.
After me next daughter.
I even go for her to know how far your sperm shoot go.
I will tell you something. Yes.
It look like your sperms are shoot the wall.
No. Shut them
Listen
up.
to me. No, don't tell me shut my mouth. You just say me reach the age. Me reach the age of consent and me feel like me want to tell you how much string make you. You see ears then cock off? You see how the ears then cock off? You walk and you breed the people them pick me. Me no have no more sister, me no want none.
It was a mistake.
So me, yes, me a mistake too. Me a mistake. You know what?
You never said that, my daughter?
You say me and Kayla a mistake.
No. Me never called you no mistake.
What you say? What you say?
Me say, she and her mother was a mistake because I put them up.
No. You say, me and my sister a mistake and I hold on my sister, man, I hold you down and sex love.
No,
But I want him to ask you.
You believe-
Our locks, they never lock off your nose.
You believe your sister said me say you are a mistake?
Yes.
How you feel be mistake?
Let me tell you why I believe. You buy solid text, I carry it over the yard. My zinc right now, if rain fall, my bed wet, my dress are wet, the TV wet, everything wet.
Let me ask you a question. How much house you own your blow down?
Me no business, how much horse road
You
na
can't take
blow
out to
down.
anything and put by your house.
You see, other time I tell you if you know the thief. You walk from Wappy kids, so from your 14, you say you walk your top, go to school and you walk. And you don't even have a good house, you don't even have a good, you don't even have a 2-storage house, you pay a board house you one.
Lord, look down for me.
Look down upon them, don't say ya. That's
Look
if you
down
say.
for me. We get 3 pitney. One of me never know about. Right?
2 we are missed here.
And me never take care of the one me 2 me never know about it. And them 2 yeah when me get, when me sure of when me get, me
Work all the day of my life, 18 to 19 years.
You never know, but how you sure say a fake pin you do there, ne?
Me not do it yet, but in
But
future,
one thing I want to ask you. We care about you.
when it is there, right, that's right. I jump up and talk about, but it's a content and this and you can't say nothing to me. You expect something to bring back to something for somebody
Alright.
we are 18?
Okay.
Wait.
You know what me can tell you now? See me and no see me. I am no longer your child. Me no of you. You see, as a man in as tactical fit jazz tomorrow, me a find one rich white man and go bounce off in cap. And you see when me bounce off in cap, me a collect one good amount of money and go to a birth certificate place and change my name. Cause you not give me nothing, you know. You not
Young
give
miss.
me nothing.
Young miss, that hurts.
Me 18.
Look on her goods. You want to be in her shoes?
Mine are my own shoes. This is my own
Okay.
shoes me have on.
What the future you want?
Independence. See myself right
Right.
now.
And you want to work, right?
Right.
Partying with my daughter.
Not
go
gonna give
give
you
that.
work. You're not gonna
You
get
know
us
when
a
you
solve.
you hear what she say?
People man.
She want a white man and people man. When can bounce out them cucumber.
Well, me
I don't bounce alone, me can't work too. And me I go split on it.
I don't
And
need
if
to know
that
what you
not
gonna do.
work, me use my tongue and wall around it.
You know what? I will see again. They say your man never make you do one work.
Yeah, go and buy business. Go on. Just go on over your price. Go on over your piece of rasta woman. Go on over there. Over there you buy things and put. And she said me mother pum big, you know. She said me mother put it big.
The artist is already right. Slow wine, my girl, slow wine. Because some of them no good. Some of them baggy big. You know the song, alright? Slow wine, my
baggy no
girl,
big.
slow wine. Some of them baggy big. You know what that means?
Daddy, go on done. That,
You know what that means? Huh?
go on done. Go on over your price. Go on. And don't come back over here.
One next time, can you see? Me not tell you about argue with no pissy tail girl. Me not argue with no pissy tail girl. Remember, you know? Me not put up on my will. Remember that? Right.
You have will eat. The only thing you want to pop a tear up shirt and shorts with your teeth of people in construction work. Listen to me good. You see, if you take no work from my pa, if you get 10,000, he might give you 5 and beg your pussy for the next 5. So you pay him for your pum. So go on, they go work for you, damn idiot. Come on, me go over. No, me come out here for.
What is?
Mommy, you see
You
that
cool
gone?
down?
You don't see that gone?
Mm-hmm.
Me glad.
Me
Cause guess
too.
what? We couldn't take no more away my stay. Tell them, yeah. Tomorrow morning, I move them. Tomorrow morning, I go and wake up and now, cause tomorrow morning, I then lift them up. Cause
Lift
to
them
me,
and take them where?
put them out. You know why? Me know for them, I just a sibling. Come on, I just a little board cabinet, yeah. So let me tell you that. No, I just a sibling, not coming in here. And me, Kayla, in charge of the house.
Kayla, calm yourself. You know, sister, me never irate and go on with him. Let me tell you something. You're still a child, yeah? If anybody put no laws and if not and if so's is me. And me not stop it. Me not raise my pressure upon him. He can fall down and drop in a how much woman all over the district, all over Jamaica, me not care. As long as him look after you and he maintain you, that's all I care about. That's why me I calm you down. Nobody raise your pressure upon that.
My time now. As long as me I move them, yeah, and you're not coming on my way, me and you.
Hi, remember your foot. Now put your foot in my
Right.
face like a girl. Come here now, your
So,
father.
tomorrow-
Load them.
Hello.
Load them.
Make show you who is in charge. Make show you who run the yard.
Lift them and say fair.
No, tomorrow
Lift
morning.
them. Make me come
Tomorrow
in here. Let me
morning.
come out and say, Kaka,
tomorrow
you think
morning.
me is your father? You can talk to me any
Mommy,
which way. You forget who is
Time
who.
me I explain something. You want to go like you want to bully me. Do you forget say me at 18? Actually, me no want bad blessing. Take me no box on you and daddy.
Ha! We want to see the day name there.
But
Come
as
now.
I say now,
Sit there in there. Come now.
we are move out them at tomorrow and them there, I had to chop them up in a mince.
You a real idiot.
Put them out of the roadside.
You are your papa picnic for true.
Yes.
The man, you know, use your sense. The man take him money, go squandle and say him go build up the place and fix up the place. Before you cover your mouth, make him fix up the place and you benefit out of it, eh? You know, see the roof want fix. You know, see the floor in the bathroom want fix.
Hello.
Him a go come, use your head, little girl, instead of your mouth.
Mommy, use your brain. Use your brain, you know why? Like that hear what I say now. Daddy say, he ma back up the place to bring in another daughter.
Him can bring in who he want. I want bed me asleep on.
Hello.
I want piece of tile me have a step pump at a time.
Mommy, sometimes
So
you talk foolishness, you know. Sometimes
you
make
rise
that
up your
hurt me.
pressure for nothing, you're real.
Hurt me. Because mommy, me I tell you something, you tell me something else. Me no want other siblings in the town. What she go eat? Where she get food from?
My business with that.
I'm not sharing any food.
Me tell you for sure, him breed the whole of Hibernia, the whole of Jamaica, the whole of Kingston, the whole of Maypen. Make him feed them. He want live like king, like African king. Him have to supply. From him a supply for you. What is the problem? Me there with him no more.
The reason why daddy have so much pit in the outer road. You never die use your brain. You never use your head. Everything what daddy say goes. You know, stop like a woman. You talk about independent. You know, independent. Give it the independent daddy couldn't bring girl come in a sign.
You see any woman here? Yes. Who you see right
that little
here?
girl what daddy a bring come is not a boy.
Where you see no? Are you and me there?
You know,
Are you and me there from morning? Listen, little girl, you drop by your head. You drop by your head like your papa, and you forget who you talk to. So,
Mommy,
stick a pin.
Your mother squeeze up your brain.
Pick me up back, sit down, you know.
Mommy,
know what I deal with. Don't make me take it up on you, little girl. Know who you talk to. 18 or 22, and me give you life, me will take it. So here what? Before me tell you about parts of your body you never know you have, and raise my pressure where your pa couldn't do, me I go inside.
Yes.
Move them, make me see. I will see who a woman a yard. Make me come out and see them gone. Alright. Me I see who a woman a yard. Oh.
You're bright.
She's not even sure with the buckle. She drink the thing and can't do.
Oh, yeah, mommy. Want to talk to you?
Me want to talk to you first, but you gone. Talk.
Me tell you, just come for drink.
Make sure you try it when it done. Can me just pick up an empty buckle? But go on.
Anyways, no, mommy, you know me love you, right? Me have to talk to you, because you're my mother. I'm big enough for me, I can have a woman to woman talk.
Yes.
Daughter to mother talk,
Yes.
right? You see, if you ever in your life met daddy bring that girl come here, things have to go share. And me know how it a go me alright with it. You know why? I hear things them they go share, not mine.
You're a comedian, you know, that's why me feel love you.
So you know what, no, mommy?
Mm-hmm.
You see how when you used to cook dumpling, you want to eat 2 dumplings?
Mm-hmm.
Me don't can't eat 2 dumplings, you go eat 1 dumpling.
Hey.
She go and share everything with her, because you want to come, I come like, I am not enough. You want a new daughter?
May I check something? Let me check something.
Alright, look for.
Me a double check which hole who come from which a hole. Cause last time me check, me is the mother and you come from my hole, not the other way around. Me want know how your chest so high you are coming in my room and I tell her lay down law. Eh? You lick your head like your papa.
Mommy.
Let me tell you something here and now. Number 1, me not care, you can be 100. Me is the mother, you is the child, remember that. If anybody I gotta say yay or nay to your papa bringing next picnic, I know you know, and me. And half hour with fraction, and me I do the halving. Picnic can't go court, and me I go court and me I do the halving. So remember yourself and remember who you be talking to, you little girl.
Don't.
Remember who you be talking to.
You don't talk? Mommy,
For now.
anytime Me I talk to you and tell you something you say. I wanna who is the daughter? Who's the mother?
Because you're talking to me like some me and all hug and forget some me is your mother.
Me I talk to like say me and your size.
Which you shouldn't be doing because me and you are no size.
I saw we grew up together. We share it, everything.
Yes, but we still have respect.
With the back of you people.
For a start, lower your tone. Me and you sitting next to each other talk. The whole district not have to hear we.
Listen to me, mommy.
Right.
You know, Shad, when I grew up, and every day that shall bring me with you. You make me feel like to me and your side, I'm going to forever feel that way. Anyways, now, mommy. Next thing I'm looking through too. Me no want she come here. Because if you come here, everything going to share. And then again too, you know, own nothing in the house and me own everything. Because I go, yeah, I go. And I come here, I come.
Go where? You call me that don't pay me. Where me I go? Tell me where me I go.
Me not call on that.
So where me I go, so? Me I go and you come where me I go, so? Where me I go? Where me I go? Where go I go?
Where go mean?
Where go I go?
When me dog at school, I never know about go-go or whatever. I dog at school for enough to take man, and how fi take man and no breed and make money set time by taking man. But me realize it come like I do a stop before I take man. Yeah,
and all that you go school go on bench. Me don't talk to you about man.
Mommy, when I go to school and I all up my uniform frock and the boy sitting at the front, look at it. You don't tell me that I'm not working. I'm working, me just never focus on what the teacher say. You understand? So you're my mother and I realize it now. Try in your power. In your most almighty power. Don't make that child come here. Because if you make that child come here, hell one broke loose. Because I mean, me am Kayla. And me go show you why me and my father pick me. And why me get my father last name.
Well, you
sure your papa. This.
Cause I want picking me bring pan this earth. So me no business with how much you want breed and how much you want bring in. Let me tell you something. Right. You see, the law, on a love make law, on the head and things say real law, you know. Let me teach you something.
Teach yourself.
Right?
Yes.
You see the half of everything?
Mm-hmm.
The common law business, in a common law picnic, it named common law husband, common law wife. Yeah? So nobody bring for your law in a this, cause your law can't go court.
And you know why, mommy? I will never be like you in the future. You know why? You under the day over 18 years now, right? And you call yourself common law wife. You see me? I now call myself common law wife, you know. I'm gonna be the wife with the ring. In the space of 2 months, wife with the ring. You say you go to school, you should take some man class.
Oh, you go for the ring.
Me not afford the ring.
Oh, you go for the ring. You're there on this plan. Eh? You see, you leave school and with your plan. And it now work.
Hello.
You not try something else.
You know why now?
It now work. Go get a job and get independent. Man love independent woman. Try get a job and see how fast you can get a good man.
What do you hide up on the road and I see my sister and her friend? And when I asked her, I said, what happened to her friend? My sister looked for me. You know what she looked for me say? Because the girl that look work, our man put her out. You think I go look work, make man put me out? All I go do is cook up in the bed at daytime and the man go out and work.
You're there with man now.
Hello.
So which man got you talk fool like a dead ass pooper, you know. You're there with man, how man I go put you out? And you're not there with no man right now.
You know, so
your pooper go put you out? Your mother go put you out?
Mommy, let's go to me and say, mommy. Mommy, me repeat it one more time for you in a slow motion.
And lower tone.
Yes, stop it.
Mother not friend.
What day when I was on the road, Missy Shanice did it with her friend. Me say, what happened to her friend? She said she had put up her friend up her yard because her friend man put her out because she dey go look work. So me I said, one good example for me. I'm not going to look no work, so no man put me out. You get it?
Me get say plenty triggerfoot man the boat. And plenty triggerfoot dry head girl the boat, right? If man put out woman forget work, him is a no good crop for them business that. But I wonder if it's a little girl. No, can't be her. Anyway, I feel them business that.
Oh, I want a good man that.
Me.
What she want to look work for? Me not look no work.
Well, why you not go look him? If him put her out, why you not go look him?
No, me can't find me.
But you want man. You don't know what you want.
No, man.
You really take off the
Mommy, you know why me not have no man? You know why me not have no man?
Because you is Kayla.
No. It's not because I'm no killer, me not no man. It's because you is my mother. And you always use your mouth and wash it down palm me. It's when other parents speak bad things out on the mouth pan a child, I happen to them. Every day I talk about me now go find a man for go look work.
But how you don't find the work? That partner lamp on you. That partner lamp on you.
Lamp on me. Me just don't
you
want
get work. You get work. Say no lamp on you
the
then.
work I come. Instead the man come my way and the work I come. Mommy stop chatting up.
You listen to yourself.
It was nice speaking to you.
Little girl. Oh God.
So much.
You really take off to your pooper.
And that's why me go and bully for man like how my father. I bully for
yes, like your father. Oh God.
Like daughter, like father.
Oh yes, take off to him. Come me lose off for you long time.
Mommy,
you're still there. You're still there. Think you say you done talk to me. Think you done talk to me. May I go in it? Go. Damn fool. Like pooper.
Oh, God. I think they the right to go.
How you run from? Jesus, how you run from?
The girl wanna put up. Me not take her man. And she can find no girl. The girl don't they want beat me. I'm tired.
But oh, you want to bribe?
Then mama, you never believe me. I see people man me want.
You take girl man. And you take up the girl and you take up the man. The two of them one time. Hey. But you want it, you know. But you tell say, bet you find a man for yourself.
Girl.
So who the man we are take?
Tibby.
Tibby from where?
You know Tibby?
No, I just asked him.
I
just want to know Tibby from where?
Girl, before you help me fight the girl.
No. I did warn you. You see my manga and look. I nah make no girl push me. If a girl push me, just drop down to a boop. You want to up in a your war. No.
Feel help me, man.
No.
You want me help you there?
Continue run. I do not want to bother get missing. Continue run. Continue run.
Little girl.
Me and your sister now. Tomorrow man you lick me.
Red said me say you want like a orphan. Can you orphan for true? Can we know not
hello. You see orphan so like something have wing. Use your wing them and fly.
You the orphan. You damn idiot.
One. Borrow my wing them and run.
Me carry.
See the girl come there. Run. Run.
Help me, girl.
Help me. See girl in here. Run! Run! My friend there! Hey, girl! Let me go! Oh God. Oh Lord. Mr. Daddy, I want to give it to take people, man. She made you help me.
One girl down the circle to beat me. I forgot to defend you. Remember the same girl we get it work? And she never come. She want to beat me for her man.
Hey.
I feel like I'm the orphan.
Hey, half
I'm
of the
the
truth.
orphan because they're not like me.
Oh God.
She want to?
Beat me.
Ooh.
Can I help me?
Hi.
Huh?
Can I help me?
I look like me, I walk and take people, man.
Ooh, no, you walk and take people, girl.
You walk and drop your sperms all over.
Let me ask you that question.
Hey.
What my purpose for earth to do?
Make money and give it.
Send them to go to school and make sure they're out school, right? And become something in life. And still want to become fight over man.
No, and then me a fight over the man. You know? And she a beat me for the man.
God.
The man put her out and about to put me up and she start
What's the
beating.
qualification?
What is qualification?
Same thing. What is the qualification?
Bubble palm man body.
One bubble. What is your qualification?
People man.
Man have no gender to work.
No.
Oh, for work, no. You already at work and the man and me take a work.
Yes.
In just say hello.
You ever wonder why most of the women on the earth are dead or are missing?
That not nothing to do with me.
Daddy.
Me not miss so.
Because that's how they work. Everybody got to go. Everybody can't stay
As
here
soon
one
your
time.
You never know, so them thief man and tie them up and juke them. Take for them pride. You never know about that. You think a woman alone can get take away and kill?
So you feel like, sir, no boy can touch me?
Me don't know if boy can touch you, but me know a man can touch you.
Before somebody take a knife and cut me throat. But anyway, that's not me talk about. You see, in
Daddy,
line.
you look like a car there.
Huh?
You look just like a car there, your front appearance.
But me not lie, no, that car is strong.
You embarrass me.
Hold me embarrassed, Daddy, if you tongue
Daddy,
shit like
you
a
look like
car.
the car.
You don't own a car. You got
Listen
tongue
to me
like
now.
a car,
You
man.
look like the car. You know what you look like? You look like our mother. Like.
You see, you know?
You look.
And that's why the girl them not top beat, they can't top 10 man. Every day come about my mother, you know.
No, I know that.
What?
I should have did buy the pill them. I stopped you from ban.
Nothing wrong. Nothing wrong. More than know you.
You know one way neither. You was a mistake. No, sorry, a mistake, me.
See it right.
No.
See it.
Listen up. You see, me bringing you for Earth on our 18. You so
That's
18.
why you're not supposed to
You
hold
are
on pound with
18,
some.
right? Only supposed to work for money, so we can get back my money, right? So if I feel so man, only go depend upon, you can help me. So when me end up in a wheelchair, oh you go.
Daddy.
Don't touch
Me
me.
push over the big hill.
Daddy, white man give man visa, you know. You see, white man can get a green card and take care of your mind. You
Me
can
know
you
what-
move like a bitch.
Me know
Or
what-
if you want you pick them by now. Yeah, move like them big skettle on the bridge.
So,
Let go for me.
I will make you company Earth.
Me
It's
mother.
certainly not
I will
you.
go no life.
Without me mother, me could come out cause you never have nothing push me through. Me never
Daddy,
come
you
to your
can't afford
party.
my clothes. Let it go. You can't afford this. This expensive.
Daddy, come, can you look like me I see the light?
Listen.
Hmm?
Let me tell you one more time.
Daddy, the time me up here,
Listen
so
when
well
it-
and promise. What the girl come beat me?
Listen when you no see me,
Yes.
no see me again.
Me not see you right now.
Listen when you see me in a crowd,
Yes.
you call me daddy.
You don't
Because-
deserve the
because-
name Daddy. You're right.
Where's you say?
You don't deserve the name, Daddy.
Where's you say a while ago?
Well,
Again. Say it again.
yeah, the demons there.
Say it
Girl, me
again.
can't see what all me.
Say it again. Say it again. Where you say me that one? Say it again. You look along about the business. Well, I'm watching the business. What? Damn breath. Man, I tell her they were picking her, man. I don't know when it is no comment at me.
Oh, you're lucky. You're everything because you're big crutches daughter. You don't know, say, me catch a little dirty girl with me man. Eh?
Girl!
Hey. See, any day me hold him,
God,
I done it done.
you really give me heart.
You're lucky. You're
Me swear
lucky.
say, I did the chief would come round the calf when they always attack around and come round to where you favor the calf them.
I don't care what more favor. I just want to buck her. You try to talk to her, you know. I just say she carry news to me man, just me man left me, you know. And I tell me man, be a things that she the comments me man about her one bag of man left on side.
Me can't tell you something.
Hey.
You see, no matter what in life, I tell you something. You see, no matter what in life, a other woman tell your man, you're not supposed to leave you. You see, if you hold it good, sorry to say that, but I hate you, me still can't say it. You see, if your kitchen is clean, your man won't left. Let me put it that way there. If your kitchen did clean, your man won't left
My
no matter
kitchen clean, my cook clean, everything clean. Your man, my man just choose say, you just feel like me have other man because you're pitney. You look down out whole pitney. And she calls you because she carrying you to me man.
Okay. Well, if you don't know part where you talk about, me don't know because I never go in my picnic to know if him don't know. But one thing I want to tell you, say, you see when you are my picnic in a fight over man or a cut over man, don't involve me in it.
Me not involve you.
Because I'm a young girl. The time when you find yourself a fight over man when unnecessary right now.
Am I necessary?
Me and man, I tell you. Never you fight over one man. Never in life you fight.
Me not fight over the man. Me not fight the fact is that the bin she am my friend, right? And she carrying news to me man. What kind of friendship that be? You know say me and her close friend?
Walk on, yes,
Don't-
sir.
You talk about Wagwan? You talk about Wagwan there, so? You don't hear Wagwan there, so?
Rah,
Wagwan, you see?
stick and no lick me.
girl,
Do
no
not lick me
girl.
with that big stick.
I take her, man.
All day, and I feel the woman girl. I fear don't know to hold pitney. I fear daughter, come I really know your daughter like that.
What
and
happened?
the sister, they take me man and I carry news to me man.
Uh-huh.
Come see you left me. And don't
For
know.
him daughter.
Yes, the little shot.
The one that is not my daughter.
Right.
Okay. So make sure you get it right. Not my child.
I saw you jump up on a hoop. You think you'll get trophy? You think you'll get medal?
Talk to the lady about your daughter.
All right.
Buck him. Any day me buck him. And then he done. All right.
What's a black hood in your hand?
Yes.
Anyway, let me tell you something now. I don't follow she. You hear me I say? Never you fight over man. Me and man, I'm
Me not
can't tell you
fight over
that.
That is true.
Every man on this earth, and no man can come tell me that. Every man on earth is a dog. Yes, you will. Anything that have the word V or P, we move to it. We don't have no
You call
self-control.
yourself dog.
I never call myself dog. But
Make him
Yes,
talk.
every
Him
man
say
a
all
dog.
man a dog. Make him
right,
talk.
don't really matter.
It a come out.
So out on the road, because sometimes I see some dog, you know, I have sex on the road. I saw you do it too. Yeah, call yourself dog. You know.
Him
And then
have
I
accident
saw dog,
and
yeah.
drop in.
Sometimes I see the dog, them cock up on her.
Him that.
I say you do it,
For all man a dog.
You need to talk when you say not talk. What you just say?
There is a God, Jah. There is a God. Let me come
Every man
witness
a
this.
dog. That means that you're a dog too.
Come here, something explain something to me. Come here, say something.
Hey, me want see
Let me
this.
explain
Yes,
something
Mr.
to you.
Dog too. Every man a dog. We want to hear this.
Listen good.
Confession good for the soul. Mr.
When
Dog.
me say every man a dog,
Mm-hmm.
me no mean say them.
Somebody take out yourself out there. You don't
Yeah,
say
yes,
every
every man a dog.
Not
Me
take
nah
out
take myself
yourself.
out of it.
Okay, okay.
Let me tell you something. This when you take up a man, man come with responsibility.
Oh.
Right?
Man come
When
with
a-
lot of needs. Man come with responsibility. Man come with lot of needs.
Right. Me understand the woman come with a lot of needs. But you need to know the fact is, you can't take up a man because you want a man to do your hair, do your nails, do makeup, buy clothes,
Especially
Buy
broke
food.
man.
buy food. You know, expect a man to do that. You fit there 50-50 or 40-60. The man do 60,
I
you do
feel like
40.
take this on liquor say, hey, can you not have no sense? You can't talk to a big independent girl like me and tell me, say me want man to do hair, nails and things. Independent girl like me.
Well, at least
Baby
you
love,
Remember
calm
say you
down.
can't walk in my shoes, no.
Can you take every woman for him
Me
daughter?
earlier say you walk off in your look something
Yes,
all
man.
over.
Him drop,
Jamaican.
him drop and fling it in an
Me not
accident.
even sure if I know to the last no you find out.
Jai, you're good, let me see
You
this.
gonna do a DNA.
young people and big man attack, you don't involve in
You
it.
see me every
Oh,
time, right?
oh.
Let me talk to you, I'll give you a last lesson.
Oh.
She needs more than me.
There
Me
is a
respect you
judge
because you
that
don't look
witness judgment day.
Me no respect
Whee!
you fight over man, you gone too far now.
Well, that part right. You know, fight over man, them no worth it.
Over no man, me know me.
When you lose your life and the man gone, where you think the man gone to? A different to man. So when you bat up yourself,
Come on,
that part
lick sense
true.
of that bitch head. I want lick some sense of that girl head. Me not talking me there, just but me want buck her. Said me buck her hot. Tell her go see her. Oh.
you hear what she just say? When she fuck my daughter, what kind of hand she have? That's him I go send him to hospital. You see, you
Me no be take your foot out of my face. Take your foot out of my face. Me and know your picnic.
I mean, honey, really, I can't put.
Yes, kind of ugly like your foot. Now
So
talk
know
if
I
you
didn't know
talk.
that when you come home live in with me.
Hey.
You know, I didn't know that. I trick me, you know. Make it this so long, you know. Cause from the moment I belly me to put you out.
All man a dog for true. I really idiot. Eh? You fall for the oldest trick in the book and you still a fall. Why you think me not go bad when you come and tell me listen off pick me? Me no business.
No, because your cookies.
Come me not have no feelings
you
for
do-
you. Me
you-
don't get what me want
You used to cook
already.
too much stew peas and from this, I say start cook stew peas. Me shouldn't never eat a yard. Me should have just go to the road.
And nyam abroad.
Right.
Ah, nyam abroad. Me no business. Me don't get what me want. You idiot. Come on a dog. Woof woof. Woof woof.
Them people they go and put you. No matter
Oi.
but I go down the road, you know. When I want to walk near you, see you, If you continue like that, we pull on the whole of the house up there and burn it down. Oh,
Oh God, Jaya, you always make me witness the right thing. Oi, oi, Kayla, why? What do you? Oh, your finger cut. One bam bam out the street. What do you? Bam to your hand.
As I come in, I see my finger cut.
Eh, bless the place. You miss World War III, Baba. You miss World War III, 4 and 5 is still alive. I just wish we didn't see the fight. Yeah, no, you're a bad mouth sister. Me, I go take people, man. She gets her backside bust.
Mommy?
Do you hear? You see the young girl, and it's the same young girl me they talked to the other day, you know. But still, one piece of black charcoal would she have in her hand ready for lick Shanice, you know?
She never used the car.
You know about it?
Yeah, that was there.
Ah, so you see the fight? You see Shanice get licked? You see her? You see it?
I was
you
busy ducking. I was so busy ducking.
So what? She look after you
yes,
too?
Yes, she look up a big store and look after me. And after that, we run off and go up the road. So we run off and go up the road, mommy. Woke up and daddy. Shanice and daddy did their talk. How did they talk to daddy? Daddy take Shanice and look up in me so boop. Boop, boop, boop. I be a beat. Let me get up the road.
Hold on.
So you see, as
Him
I
lick
say,
Shanice.
no. And you, Shanice are looking at me so boop. Yes. So you see, as you say,
Him lick you for what? Why am I take that dry foot girl and lick my picnic for?
because Shanice call him bitch.
Well, he is a bitch, but still.
Mommy asked me.
And he may admit it too. Kamala tell the young girl say my dog.
Mommy, you see, as you say, you are common law wife. You use up a common law purposes and make that come back over here. Because the next time I see him, I not take a bit of time to him and my father. Not big 18-year-old now.
Him forget that, you know. Him forget. So you is a big 18.
Daddy
when him
business.
should have been helping me bend the tree when it young. And now the tree all in one cup. I think you're right, you know.
Really
I think you're right. Because the more me talk to him, he thinks of me soft. He thinks of me a soft soap. He thinks of me a soft soap. Last straw that brought the camel back.
Yeah.
Take that dirty foot girl lick my picnic.
Mommy, tap it up.
You're right.
That hurt me when I feel good.
Yeah, that hurt you.
Daddy,
And my
add
belly
some
at
water.
me with laugh.
Add some water, please. Add some water.
What do you for true?
Daddy beat me. Yeah, they said daddy beat me. Want me got some water for rub his sore them. Sore up. Go and add some water.
I'll be a drunk today. Me I come. Maybe you deserve that lick, but still in passing place.